Alofa ye fa na se ma twede akonyankopon ba se yi Adom te kwafra mo aye biafo no a obo nsuo ebo awia obo soro bo asase na wama ye nkwa ene ahome ema ye tiase se akra tiasefo ye de na se nyina ema no yade nyina ye nkomo nyina ye bibia ye bia no aya ye ma enase no enoso sanse se sebe ye ni nkwa ena na edidaso asanu ti se adepa bi chiwa na wama na ase no adoso krompo na daroma so de ewura afi mu no Musumi etosu mienu na ne da etwato 28th day of February. Afi we nye lipienti ye just 28 days in the month of February nti ene twamu a na ye osha in a new month, the Ghana month, the month of March, the third month, ye twini ebeka se obenem na February niema de ba ye mu nsem na doso papa emu susu ampidie emu ntwetwede nso Yakopon na da roma de atwa kakra ye ba bewura bosume fufuro mu afi 2022 eye den afi we unhira ebeba afi we wiye de beba den a wo ya adwumaden a twede amponyankopon amyate ase se ne nsam hira ne mani pede fo bra adwuma mfa bi nka ho ne nso soro so boa de oboa na ho enti de wo de wani asi so no akomapam wo de mpaipa ta akira kwambia so twede amponyankopon be hira so de ama medi na nasei ampofo jano pemitrem de ama mahene kwamena sante na menu ama ahofefo mienu ene ma mechira diamond ena afi efia mankwata maklo ne minyina na edi dwuma dindindin unim se no nsia ba e de kase no beba eno eda nche so afise beba ene mpense ye behwe Ministry of Foreign Affairs amiate ase no anwumro release statement kire nhia on maye to evacuate Ghana for di nsenseme e Ukraine ye sebe eni ba ekutrem na account entry so na account obi wo a ote Ghana na adwen ne se Russia for ko wasai Ukraine so no ye pa fase aprade wada ntini susaso bia wo so no nipa no wo so adwen ho biem sanse wo Ghana de hye wo ho even a school for omomusua de nko ape aban checks no any figures wo de ba no omobro 1000 nti wo hwe wo mo akokodi pa so ne ho kika ho de a let's wo bedo so pa Ukraine man no hwe wo profiler enwuma wo ho ne nneomo mo ye no definitely Ghana de hye wo ho edoso na de akwakoba ne se ne ekokoba se bibise esi a oman bia preniti oman bia prene nkwanra social media reporter na eba se train aye fro no omhwema na enkwada no omhwema na nsana womhwe omukrom fu ansa no omhwe bibifo ne ho keka wokra bia wodi wom na be se Ghana ban ono ne die wom ene obo ho bra se ne nhye na siakọ ebehwe na ye di san komo na pai eye minister Jometa amaye nyinhyira ebekoso ade ho enu moja no na eno atimi aboa yen ema ye gina pi brabo no se de yesike kakọ no se wiase wie no na eba o se nso no wie mu na esakra akwakosi mpempenso obi se tibia no wo gidi wo twedi amponyankopon mu se omma de ebro ye so ema ye so Diamond boko de
Awurade Adom
ye da twedi amponyankopon ase amanfo afew
mesomafew
afew pom TV so ache
mesomafew mpa na baba TV so
ka bibi kire wo mwe
mafia nuanom ne adofo nyina bibia wo nemre ahomaje nso wo nemre eti abai de Awurade Dom ene na ho ade am onipa tumi de ye adwuma no eno na yesre ye da hwefo so asese ye wo ho ye ni ho Adom TV de wo mo hwe ntimi mo bia che me ma me ho so akwa aba
ma ho akwa aba na uze adwuma na de nye nyema nyina na so wo ye adwuma utimi yo
debi
sa no pasori yese no ani mu nsensem no
ani nyina ne botia o
but me sure so ko live ya kam nyina akọ clear
bia wo ne mra ye de ye nti se ne na akamu o se ne na ejina kwa so de na wo mo ba o ma ye ni nyina ho adwuma
yes akosia o baby so akosia o baby na eno one 7 de achire ye de ebema mo but asamba ko so very serious in UTAC for strike say ya say omo be school ni me kai say some of the universities public universities ni be issue statement share the commencement of academic calendar no so sisi ya ye ka say akwakọ ye ntwensene den na ekoso na den na wosa ban ye na teacher fo etimi asan akosuku biem sanse say ye keka de ekọ eye bosome ne fa enti ko bosome mienu a enesa asem kese a chese sukufo mu aba fresh omu ewo mu dada wo so moto aso hu se covid disrupted academic calendar ni ye pa over the last few years about 2 years ni no ntini enim se nka ja covid yi kofo media nka ombenya smooth run and kakra ena achechefo ya semi beto mu but ade ba ko wo mu ne say to say aban no e very tight corner esan say nye you tag for nkwa na issues
okay
so
okay
enti why are very tactical e was sad and also ntimi nka say obi wo ha ozu nti unso obi so de acheche for na yo mo adwen so mo nsan kan de mo hwe ne pa de be den
omo wo final year no say the oba foforo kra de onim de wo mafe na obepe hu ba obi o final year no obi o hokra wo wi akoware o wi tukwan o wi aye bibi obi o ha chese sabre no wom na o wi no o wi aye ade bi a sabre nyina teko no
amo da bosia so wo a bobosia kra de ko se anya bia afentam de enu nya bibi yo
eno so ho but enya se de o wi nko de afe na oba de owom dada o shen finfin second year for no if I say level 200 for any o ma ewie no hadwen but this time no say de asem na che no em say bibi wo mu a e bia you tag for na asem e de
o ma asem de e de san say it drives way back equal 2012 since 2012 2013 ena sankoma omudie wo mu adia kwa na ba ne ya beka na ma ba to ne ho ngeka ho ena no kra me ya mete so omso ma mpenda da kofo kra afro mo ma kasa na no atum nti esai me ho kakra because see I wo hwemu a about 7 universities na omo UTAG local association no ato aba no emu be 6 ena ato atia so omo I'm say just one
enti amfa
enti Eden
ba wo say Ghana ye wo no ye nana ye kufuo ye busua pani ye kufuo ye mampani kane mampani me pa che se pani pa se papa wo fie de ye kufuo ti se ode na no atum na samfa de ya ne na mfa na mfa
asem kese pa na ye behwe new transport fares no so ene nchinwa kakra de aba ebinumu over the weekend amount for free na de omde ba bonte nya sa na omo je ebinumu edi omo ape atoto so ne ho nkeka ho ensem bebre wo ho and fuel prices here nti ama transport fares no ekosoro no unim se sa antokwa ya nkrofo yikun ebesa ma fuel price na sa akosoro sanse sa aman mi enu nyina na aman a fa ho ihu asem no omo di mu akotene pa nti ye wasem bo no po
nana ye wo ekwan a ye twa ne sei eho ne ye nam a adan na nka obi de ewom se ya tofu ne so ba obi tumi de ne pe eto no so na senti ade so na obi so de ne pe ato ne ono so pe ade ntia
unse ye man ade ba ko ntia ma ye bere pa ne se obi apene de from amanyofo manum penimfo eba besi sebi nipa e first wo form kra wocheman a ono ye na tena school a no se onhwe school fo nkoda emom mpia bonten ono school ni na obebre na milk ne sa di no obemene pia na dwo akogina wasa aba besia koda it obi e pe ono ne de enye omamu ne de nti ne yebre no no kra wo mu nyina no
yenkoso ampe ye de na ede
ye sentrafo bia de obedie no ohwa nti de okan beboa no na waka wo hwe no obi ani abigigigigigi de se bia ne nkwan aye de yes nti ene ma ye no bebre nye papa
ye wie so
ye yes ye brabo ye
aban o wahu but weje aban mo so yo wahu mo yo because but aya ne mo ya aya ne mo ya
ensemo
yen ya ye sori ahomache betena ha te se o man ne da yakoma so ama no aya na me hu se ye bregu ase de ye kyere nto aho no wahu because ote ha aya na wanya akwanya no nyame adom wanya akwanya no nti wo de ka de bebo o man no na ase de wo de toasi ho na o kyere ho because de o soro na obetia de o fom no oye enti de o fom no so wo koje o soro ho na ono so de atwitwa age ne ho at the end of the day no de ye bia anya sofo nko ne kura bible nti ombebu ho akonta o bia beje ne chefa enti yenkoso ana yenye de ye no na eho akatua ne duru ho a no wasesa chance no akoje
all right anapay ochiamia mo akoda kwase yen we she the MC of Obuase Honorable Elijah Adansi Bona a happy birthday Honorable Nyankopon Inshrao na yama awodapa over the weekend na menuanum bi wo Obuase omo ware papa mankwa ne nkrofo papa mankwa ware na papa mankwa ware dia na ese bibia ye fine ye da twede ampu Nyankopon asim Asante mampon edwato ahene ba. Efrifa ba no.
Ayo. Kane
yes. Papa mankwa anti me show all the best. Now say nka me ba so say niam bi e betwa moment mi amanti me ma waware pa. Yankopon entena wade anim na bibia enko kama.
Amen.
Nyame entena wade anim. Papa ho ahomete kakra nti no. Yeah.
Obi anye ba ho so hwe be
Na anope mesia number 4 nyina just oti region 4 nyina from the minister to the MC of Krachi East today number 4 nyina metia mo papa a fantastic place.
Then a fantastic.
A fantastic place. Dambai.
What the bayere?
Enya bayere nkwa. Nam ni ade nyina wo dambai.
Achama makoda ka me mo ache. In fact me mo bibia ache. Na adoahema aba.
Hey,
Edino
akoboy. Miss Amsterdam.
Adoahema aba. Yentina hanka. Entna hanka.
Ewo Amsterdam.
No nipa nyuma di nachi. Kindness. Amone den Kruzbeck.
Kruzbeck.
Kindness.
O kan ya no to bu. Ho kro ni di e mo no fo. Nana. Anopay the bonkrata ne maye no. I think say me read bibi kakra bi from Endra press briefing Ministry of Foreign Affairs and Regional Integration. Minister Honorable Shelley Ayokobotwe na was the topic no say the security situation in Ukraine and the safety of Ghanaian nationals in Ukraine. Na about since the Russian Federation and Belarus started military operations in Ukraine on the 24th of February 2022, hundreds of lives have been lost through bombardments. Normal life in Ukraine has also been disrupted for the rest of its citizens, including for those of our compatriots living in Ukraine. The government of Ghana remains concerned for the safety and security of our people currently in Ukraine. As you will recall, Ghana, in her capacity as a non-permanent member of the United Nations Security Council, had supported calls and efforts to dissuade the Russian Federation from using force to address what it said were its security concerns related to NATO expansion. We encourage dialogue and peaceful resolution on the differences between Russia and other parties. We also warned of the humanitarian consequences of any conflict. With the security and safety of our compatriots in mind, we actively monitored the massing of over 100,000 Russian and Belarusian troops on the borders of Ukraine. Like the rest of the world, we accepted the word of Russia that they did not intend to attack Ukraine. On the 24th February 2022, we were stunned by the news of bombardment and invasion of Ukraine by the Russian Federation. I would like to state at the outset that Ghana will continue to condemn unreservedly this unprovoked attack on the sovereignty and territorial integrity of a United Nations member state and calls on Russia to withdraw and end the war. Russia bears responsibility for the security and safety of our citizens, and we call on her leadership to respect humanitarian law. Government is determined to ensure security and safety of all citizens in Ukraine. The ongoing military operations have put the lives of our compatriots in danger, and we have called on Russia to end the war and withdraw. Inti we nsɛm a ɔmde to dwa na wanya ɔmunyantoase elese anamontuo ɛne nhyɛahodoɔ a ɔmde egu akwam na mame emu wakakra nti mame jampe na menko concrete outcomes of ministry no anamontuo no. So the ministry has dispatched officials from our missions to various borders to assist our compatriots when they cross into neighboring countries. The woman say omo are communicated to Ghana for this year, including students no. Say omon crosso borders no borders no baby a ombetimi across within the European enclave na beboa omo no Moldova, Poland, Hungary, Romania and Slovakia. And on name nya ahodo a omo akere say Ghana this year no betimi akọ na omo akasa missions anase oya name sifo na wo ho no na ebe AD omo asama ahodo Poland ne Slovakia ne Romania no omo ne omama mpanifo na kasa. Say those people shouldn't get a beer, a visa beer, and son, no matter about the raho. No more raho, no more raho, no more. Or my say, I'm a holiday, or more airspace near safe. Airplane to make ho. na ya lift omo ede omo aba nti em say enempo no likely say first batch of eye omo a ye evacuate omo no ba bedru Ghana nti details no beba as ye koyanim ewo eye bedwam dwumade so no na ene mpanimfo so bedidi nkomo ahwe how safe Ghana for eye ewo ho no say news time kasi bonnet time na so nti no
ba meche omo ahen
kwabna santi mate ene efia man kwata maklodi kasi ene beto aso na enu achi no na ene ye ko yanimu a ene sa na ye kan mi wo se videos bi ene nam Ghana for ne agro de amanfo bebre de sadie asie edi agro
Ukraine
yes ebinum ye videos bi yi mehu nipa bi a wa da ye voice over wo put in video ase say oman ebi ti se Ghana wate so mo ke kansem bi o se den na sa ne man ye nyai agro dos he sa o tu krom se ye ti hei na nka togofo ana se kodivo afo so mo ne e bo hye na omo ababa beto ahye so eyasem kese ni kwase edi agro
No sia warish mama me mamunyina cheme mo akwa Badwam TV Badwam kase so ene Jordan open samasie no ebraso sa woti bi esa Adom kase de etodwa wo mu bi ya wo betini ye hwani mu sa Ghana de hye be 220 ye de won be free Ukraine ye de wo mabo my Ghana mu ye de mu sam no ebebramo ntobroso MPP amanyokuo se ene excavator bi ene fie bi a military force hye no wono wo mu ba be chianyam so eno ne nsem bi ena no pay me de bro sa Adom TV Badwam kase over Facebook/Adom TV akase no wo like comment and share Go TV 176 DSTV 280 me amesomo ano pay me din afia abankwa tamaklo afia ni DMT se den sam no enchiremu ankasa etie Foreign Affairs Minister Mame Shila Ayoko Bochi edi atudwa se ye hwe ni mo Ghana de hye be se 220 ya wormo ewo Ukraine ya wie wo mo bibia ne de wo mo ebetumi aba na wo ma ye won krata bibia eye enu akwasie nti wormo ehwe fi se wo ne mpanifo ahodo adi nkomo ya wo mo atu akọ emia foforo mu a wo mo hwe waduane die wa pomoden bibia mu ombeya ma won sentwefo nhia mu diase and semi etudra.
The military situation in Ukraine directly impacts on the safety and security of Ghanaian nationals, including about 1,000 students in that country. 27 of these students are on the Government of Ghana scholarships through Scholarship Secretariat, while the rest are predominantly self-sponsored students. Let me state categorically that although most of the students went there on their own, government has a responsibility to all of them to ensure their safety, and that we will do. Officials of the ministry held a meeting with the leadership of the Ghana and Ukrainian nukes to brainstorm on the way forward, including plans of evacuation. A list of our students was compiled to facilitate a government-facilitated evacuation. And this information of a possible evacuation was conveyed to the students through our relevant diplomatic missions, also through our honorary consul resident in Kyiv, and also the student leaders to prepare them for the exercise. Having assessed the situation, the students commenced movement by road to the various borders where officials of Ghana's relevant diplomatic missions and honorary consuls are on standby to facilitate their passage into countries such as Romania.
Ayento akase no so na yenkonsam foforo mu na minus bi a wo mo ntobro so ewo Atwemamponia district wasantemantem mo se aban won fa no hunyim sese na military phobia excavators wo mo hye ye wi akire akohye nkrofo adan no so no won hwe na de wo so wo ye ne manimi ya no wonye nipa ba ko ne dan eho kan ye Edward Jamfi eden sembi etudwa
ko pasia anisa na yora tissue for kwayim wo munya bota ekodum transformer no kati saka kwanyina asei asku fa kwada katwa emu efie na efie no ni fiesia bebra dan to wram ama awofo no bobina ebi ko cheche mo moto muru so ene amoa ara na se basa etie basa ba ne se sabio me adu dunia me dia se no dia ko so me nyame de efisa me di no sei na adu dini sei Any part of Adamo Tokusabre, one more banum, and one will go by the Mossy. And says about no father from, if he said, oh, my father, you're as a nation to marry you. Yes, I know Japadiano, Massanano. You offer as a pan in Pong and Warano. We in the free war. Kureyan Kasa, Mibusa Kufuado say, I do my bad pan and walk room with him, Lantian and Ma. And dear pan or Passa Chrome, Crow and Nipper woman. Yeah. Yakuba, no. Yeah, and you have no ask machine the dia. Messegan abanse. Sa ade na soja fo mbe no. E ni amo ho sem no mbe ye. Enti se efie no ye ma aban no. Wono a emfa da ode baba be si fie no emfa ma ye. Se ade ye hia ne se ye hia machines no. E ye fo na si ha. Mr. Janfi ne die wo mtere. Ba ku na enka le ho no. Ele de ya anse no. Ne mo Mr. Janfi die na e ye miensa ne de. Ni nyina ase. Ama ni fie nsu nyina ase. Nsika nyina ase. Dapade nyina ase dia jese aban ne se ye ma no emranimu ye animanimu ye omra ma Mr. Janfi na duma anase ni fie ni sika ni bibia ase bia no
Nento akasia no so na nhehye nyina wiemu die se ye boye Bunu East mantam no emu bia o my Ghana wo pemo pa obenya bi ato adie if say wo mu ne yankrankra nyumakuo bi aka bom en wo di say adwuma ntime ka say NSS military CRI warmo abapro akọ sabia ho ankasa de wani akọ hwese de asase ne tie na wo mafrase edi dwumai
Bruni be can say a flagship project agriculture and you believe say agriculture could be a vehicle to create a lot of employment for the youth. Now your project may be in almost all the 16 regions. Na yese o unfodo so abewa kodo ni nyina nti ye ne Bunu East a etachima fo dinsa woso de pese ye ne say ye pese ye buy rice production mu na ye akase pa nti yaba ani abehwe o monsa ase ni nyina etachima fo wonsa ase bebre na Bruni beka say ye favorite proof of concept nti ye ba be start with 3,000 hectares.
Make us a cocoa beans bear 1,000 kilograms. Okay, cambo my bags bear 18 dear. You say a namnana dankwa ameya okokroko tosumi nuso. Wama pamu cocoa board. Ejuma funina de a free asin in kukwasa a wasin not mensinimo a won finfini mantemo. Na uhemwa yase task force no. As a yantam bears a 450 a ye cocoa nkwan yedria waswa a ye cocoa research institute of Ghana. One more dear, our Musheko board as no. Yes, royalties in Patadie. One tria free 1975 Muntino. Ya Pamu agents asano, and no naka who be ama cocoa beans. A shum say, a hurrying. The Munche Adom TV Cassie Ediba.
Our Natini, set a witch in tea, a jay money. Yakasini article could bear 28,000 pots, Igwa, Uncle your boy, Uncle Binya, the Bohataya. The Bina could put 18 bucks. What's the Sinoboa? I have 12,000 Ghana cedis. Now you are then so and can you break this? You know, before 84 acres. And can mean season you do me. And you say the young boy, the Queen Papa. You know who are you weighing in Ara? Now, Nina Abbey, it may for the age more high, the 84. Most senior regular workers, and now 66 casuals. And to 82. It's fit to say, and now could your mamma, young fine some cake maybe. You cook never a go boy, Yambo, no, not a banana, a tree, me a channing an hour tree. No name, Nancy, be by the boy, the bull, Paso. No, now. Said a quay and for your how not to tea, set a witch in tea.
Levy once and some Ghana, Chocho, beard and Anuatumo was Shana buying a person day a barna, what did you and Sika a war, Yakasa Fidie, I would also know. Ghana for the door, and nay, Chief Watimo Quaffons with one movie, ya will not be donated Sembi Atuja.
Me, a brebiara, me constituency for one cade, me ye. More singing there, me say Cassano war from our constituency. 11 a engine to I want you for a Timoka. Menua, funny day, I mean now we are cut off fuel, taxi, I walk a taxi, Mansu make a taxi. You cut off fuel of a filling station. I remember 200 Ghana mukotokum on your physical cash. Me is Canama de Tria, I buy in Jimmy too. na maka awo akɔpɛ ho asɛm ma wo sika na ɔyɛ 200 Ghana na ɔda wo phone do awo de katua fuel na ɔkyɛ dɛ aka yɛ aban bɔn ma ɔregye wo sika menua yɛyɛ ndama ɔnyɛ yie ɔbɛma nkurɔfo ho adwuma wɔ egu awon na wɔyɛ mobile money ho adwuma bogu awon na sɛbio wɔdze sika kɔma wɔn maame wɔn papa mu wɔ ekurase na adze no wɔbɛ bread do nti 11 eti aban pɛ kwan foforo do ami amegye na hei menyɛ bere biara me constituency fo wanka dɛ menyɛ
Mampani abedi akire Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia edi ato nananom anim sɛ wɔn di bia ya wɔn wɔ sɛ nananom no wɔn hwɛ no so na wɔn fa emuama nwomasua enkwanimo ɛwɔ mantemu Mampani nsam na Adom TV kase ediba
for his vision, foresight and dedication to the development of this community. It is exciting to know that an idea for the establishment of the famous Ntrotrosu Nursing College was conceived at this revered Akomasu Festival. And Nana Omahene has made education a key to the development of his nation. And as he has said, after the construction of the Ntrotrosu Nursing College, he has now set his sights for a senior high school.
Mama Fama Mampani abedi akire Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia kasa no so. Nani die mefa kase ne si ha me amesom mo medi afia amankwa tamakura agudie mu nsama oba. Na fei ahosepe atwaso yekọ.
Akwaba kese bi ne ba Adom TV so Adom TV so bedwonwo medie so dia wo kan si ho sempan sa kan no pensu ja medin de Enoch Kwasi Wolanyo Wallace agudie krachi ba ko pe the only nomenclature of professor's degree in sports the Regina Wallace the nation's presenter and Messin Kunya Econo Quantum Coding Small Dress Sakan and Penso, our Ghana Gudim Ejao. Send some say you macum, you know, Madama, woman I touch your body Sick Beauty, Ewa Chidom, a man and Penso, then common Etiaba, Jeffas Health Limited, Eddie Jeffas, a do it and Etiaba, sell your bar and I sell your Abrantia, or set to make a dribia, a Betia Bois, and Maniama Etian Kuye Ediamount, Jeffas, a drone syphilis candidiasis, and now Fita and so deep 1 Etian Chua, or set to make a dribby Betia Bois. No question no password them mesha dance here only J fast can save amount for chese dui a boy juma setete or more than that sound sabitia kebi Samson one expert I've always told you that betting is better than sakawa bet dear uchani before and I didn't before chani kumabia udin kuma san manu maniti misraw sabusiana de japadi beja says kauko assassin the daho fun kwado yuseki boys be moska fani na kuguso e twani befu na din befu na mo bet diwa eya bet with money that you can afford to lose sika se benyado edit school fees edit light bill edit danka yemfa entwa bet nyesa dia waso be shi 3 bet yensa bom open bet mum dia 1x bet ho komo ana medi edi amano a journey of 1,000 kilometers begins with very first step pensions here and few matches out no so 8% pp mu dia person Mexico so akapa e pija ball no sine na Ukraine Arsenal ne Man City against the 8% to so EPL matches out no so 8% to fam ana mede to so edi amount internet and command no so 8% PM EPL na ede kakra 8% jan ba che no so ma say matches ne sa to so bi o Spanish La Liga nim na Mallorca etra se ma Valente twemeka ba ko mantimi antina fi enti Spain Mountains so se na ne ma se course so Spanish La Liga nim no ana ede kakra eja afi mi enti to Ghana nkomom Ghana Premier League matches out 8% PM ewo offense minimum no and the home komo kakra 8% week 18 wafa 40 transfer can fast between my community take na baako and afen enano memeda Lagos City 1 House of Folk 1 yebo bo ni wie na hwese ne Mexico so atimi sampa maso kono du kire ne bobre pa e wasana ne ma ACL course e ma coach Samuel Bodu enso se maso kono du ne boss e wodwumadi nim na enra Manchester City PM ni Kumasi Arsenal 2 Dream Football Club 0 Adriana Stars 2 Karela United 0 na Fibrecum Chelsea 1 and Bibiani Gold Stars 0 Mediama Sporting Club 1 Beche United 0 Ashgood 1 11 Wonders 4 na Elimina Sharks 1 Accra Lions and Kanjata 1 and then Yami Adoma standing game back with Basu Great Olympics Willie Bubu Willie Mashi William Konson Willie Pieto Willie Juju Willie Rosalenda Willie Acapulco Bay Willie Adom TV Omni RTU and the Akinsin Ever Boss we are standing league fixture.
If we are Barnier, great shot. Magnificent save from goalkeeper William Esser to deny Daniel Afriye Barnier. What a belter, but flew as well to match the save. That was a spectacular hit by Barnier, but well matched by Esser. Yeah, when he's diving, he's applied every right technique for a goalkeeper. He's used his longest reach. Here is Daniel Barnier, but he's all alone. He gets to Koji. There's a gift for Koji. Brave goalkeepers. Yeboah. Atukwe. And they find the equalizer. Osman Amadou breaks Fabian Hearts in stoppage time as he finds the equalizer. Legon City is trying to cause all the problems. He's leading back into his man and puts the ball and hoping that somebody gets onto his Kosa, who should be climbing the first time, but he takes one touch of the ball, looking to shield it, and the ball pops up to Amadou. And all Amadou had to do was put it down the laces, and his broken Fabian Hearts here concede defeat. It's over.
Against Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Good recovery, but Ali Huzaf is there, bounces on it, can he get a drive in? Off target. And of course, if you are not home, you can watch it anywhere. Another opportunity coming the way of Ali Huzaf. It's a tough one. Oh, this is an opportunity that he's been waiting for. Frank Mbella appeals for the penalty. Penalty kick to Kotoko is Kumson against Frank Etuga Mbella. Yes!
Super penalty. Here. Takes the time and picks a spot, and super penalty, Prince.
Kotoko 1. An opportunity coming the way of Kotoko against the goal post, and yes! Goal number 2!
Such an intelligent player, Ituga. He produces the magic. Yeah, there's no danger, but just look at the defending. Jalilu couldn't keep up with the pace. And here, after the ball struck the post.
Corner kick to Kotoko is floated in by Augustine Ejepon. Meanwhile, Suleiman Fahadu is on the field. Did that goal number 3?
From Ituga. Here, with a series with a header. From replays, it should have been a perfect goal.
Referee blows his whistle, signifies the end of it all.
You see with a lovely ball. Good ball from Wayu to Osman Ibrahim. Straight to the goalkeeper, but the rebound is in and is the opener. Osman Ibrahim scores the first goal for Kinfight. Samson Japon's corner. Kredu's header, and he gets the equalizer. Kredu Adom. The captain rises to the occasion and leads by example. The academy boys are back in business. It's 1-for-1. Kinfight 1. A captain's goal. It's a captain's goal, and you can understand why. Osman Ibrahim and Kinfight suddenly have the second goal. And good run from Ibrahim Osman and a great finish from Maoliwayo to put Kinfight ahead with 4 minutes to go.
Ghana Premier League, the matches in this year also any. But Sensuma say after second season na bana bi no Dr. Prosper Neteugum, Kotoko head coach no what the Nkumu Giants and for.
Some days off. He's been training, playing matches, so it's fatigue. But then all over the world, I mean, good teams are able to win even on a very bad day, on a very difficult day. So I think it's good for the team that even though we didn't play as expected, the few chances that we got, we were able to create goals out of it. And I'm happy because the aim of the game is to score and get the 3 points. Sometimes it's not about how beautifully you play, but it's about how you get the points. And I think that was what we did today. We were able to get the points. I'm thinking of how to structure the training program, give them some rest so that they can recover fully and get back on track. We didn't have some days off.
Dr. Prosper Neteogum, which shall now the time Miano Kwaso who couldn't have a show. And you have seen a messy course and Yama Eko ye at the Mobati about Coach Samuel Bodu, when they has a full for Coach Penyapa, Kumasi Teka University, or a person supply and rat, and also Albert Penco, or Nakinsin.
Honestly, this is not what we want, but it's quite this football. We always stay focused and always concentrate till the end of the game. If you lose little concentration, you'll be punished. That's what happened to us. But going forward, we believe that we have to go. It's a mistake, but it's an elementary mistake. We have to go home and correct that mistake.
Before the game, you complained about the nature of the pitch. Do you think it affected the flow of the game as well and the results?
The pitch is not good at all. As you can see, this is a premiership. We all crying for the beauty of the game. But look at this pitch. Honestly, it's very bad.
Well, your next game, you need to obviously make a big response.
Yes.
What do you have to do for that?
Yeah, but we plan well against our next game. I think it's Wafa. We have to go all out to pick that 3 maximum points.
And I would say can say or didn't come 18 set to no complaining about James Football Club for one more pitch no. Now FA president, the team pitch now will complaining who has when your national team a coaching here. I was saying Yama AC course it be see another was say na match LP say what they were feeding it to Adom TV so meaning the kwesi wala nyo as a good catch back of it and I'm generally Sanchez on creating Sabrel. I mean Adoma Kumaka with Chene Dawson, you besan the Abrel na almost selling my ACL comedy view at the Profi last channel. So, say, Jumeku Emunu, JFAS Health Limited, the JFAS and a Tetri, and I feel so 1x bet. I've always told you that betting is better than Sakawa. Bet you tried before, and I didn't before Chene Kumabia, within Kuma say, and Melum, but more than that, so submitting I can 1x bet. Madama, the Tetri Boman and a pencil, Edia Kensi Senpai Saka, it's me Jao. The act of being a good guest is not to say goodbye.
Manasa Wanja Mabro. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Now, I pay me Jimmy's there, Yanara, we papa. Now, Mana Quansama was in there, you're not or catch him. What's the mammy? Send you penny now, the word, yet. Hey! Send you penny now, the word, you are in trouble. Because 99 say, now so no serious, this is Abomazana, say, which day. This is what town for. Hey, no one na. At American asa, internal and pay no was to face with Tamano. Because a new penny now the wa, you are in trouble. It will be a landman. I'll be a say animal can. Master when you're asa. It's no I'm not the best answer page Mezina say. Now Morocco and some am better than your Baba Chadra. Think about it, Joanna. How about an Adom remix? Adom. Adom metiase. Adom tina me wo na remix bi pa na SP Coffee support nzi de ma. Ihuna dan. Okay. Into no Sandra sana kaponye SP Coffee support nzi ho nkomo. Na orikire ma remix bi. Ya na mkondo na za into no uma yente no na yembrace sia.
You don't see my soldier on the battlefield. So the essence of my praise is centered on your grace. I don't.
Dibi wa dumu. So
I don't know what they're going to bear remix that.
Yes. And can we see him quite here? No, many done a year. And your collaboration now. Yes, on quite
because the way you had so no, most of party in a remix of Adom with Auna Diner. Have you thought of that before?
Yes, I have.
I make a step PBR.
Yes, and the Ghanaians will hear it very soon.
Wow. Hey, yeah, so young to not young Chen. We are young open easy. Yes, so one and come in my reason query yate. Because that remix is a yenara, you pay your experience, you pay your tape, you pay as a bomb pay, you pay as you while. Internonyame, one bring my hand, pepper. Today, my SP Coffee support wakano. I can't wait. Mimda waso inyaya wokoyepa. Now away from SP Coffee support na Adom komono. Wiki mono mkope mo item for one A58 series no unveiling ase. Na DKB share joke be or very interesting or chemo there sanka you from there frobi now also you have 1 minute remaining you know kasa now you have 1 minute remaining no or chemo there sanka or ye Ghana ni voice na sanka da do na nka Ghana ni na nka kafante and all kan chi kasa and all kan kasa na nka ba so dan ho ma ye hwe na ye embrace sia.
Well, I just talk about phones. When you talk about phones, I love item phone. Do you know the reason why? It's very affordable. You can buy it for your grandma, you can buy it for your sibling. Show some love for them. Market entry price. And you know when you're using a phone in Ghana and you have 1 minute remaining, you know how that the woman at MTN sounds? You have 1 minute remaining. Do you know when you call back, the more you call back, the angrier she gets. When you call it, you have 1 minute remaining. Tell them you have 1 minute remaining. So when you see that before, respect yourself. I think we should Ghanaianize some of our things. Very soon, the network response should be Ghanaian language. You call Asante Mountains. You don't have credit, if God. Put it in, he comes. Only credit. You call again. I said, Makacho said, only credit. If you must have free you. I said, only credit now will friend, not me for one. I don't know for. And you know, Ashantis always tribalize. I don't know if you go back so. It's where we need more. Why? You call and it's a dumb person at the call center. You call, Papa, over credit. Then you call again. They work over credit. Then you call the data, they can't even get slow, they can't get them and walk away. Don't try to from come back, don't try to go to a they are not trying to say, I will believe me alone. But then you say, God, don't respect ourselves. And you can hear him talking, are you going? I can bring me a nigga before that. But our people over here, Nima, wallahi babara. Straightforward when you call. You don't have credit when you call. It's on the line, don't talk. Then you want what's going on? Only credit. Then you call back. You see only credit. Then you call the third time. One first one. My country will say only credit. One friend you. Still in the same way credit. What's up for the third time? Who better drive you on? Well, I will be the last one. So the last one will like, then you hear him saying, do you want to issue it? No, I bet you can. Before for the last one, I'll bet you will like. You respect yourself.
Tell Cosino. What consider that car or bear fun pie who bear fun pad and car. Yeah, you come Cassiana. You have 1 minute remaining. You have 1 minute remaining. My honey, I don't know, confuse you. Yeah, my old village, Nadi. You have 1 minute remaining, one tassy. Now, still on DKB, no. Joke here, washing the do ya yasi or Chema 5 years ago, as I reported be a short story on him. One break crowd called Nana Kunedu ne birthday party ase. Now I call party na se no kweko perform we no we make news. There as Nana Kunedu Ajima Rollins Chema. No one yesero. Ehu. Na sana mami ni ponka she. Inti no chada reporter no. So I shada lo sabazo but DKB has no idea like to date. Also, then the story is natural and them portray share negative stories and not they say maintain na yembra.
In confacho nyama negative from me ho or nyama but you know like or cyber market drop my ratings made me a laughing stock. Tell them me pay kwa worry am. Oh nana ko do mama kacho up to now among folk do make it them reference. Oh me try control. How do you do this to me? My or then. I'm not more broken heart. I'm not breaking virginity. How do you do that? Yes, because all breaking virginity is one worry one a better time. My or then. Even Nana couldn't do to prove that lady no as not sure or a false, you know. I want to perform on the 70th birthday. It is okay. Into how the fan there. Kunedu, Nana Kunedu, boring comedian. How we should let a boring comedian perform at her 70th birthday with Uncle Jerry Nadu at home? Even up to today, people still make reference to it. Make evidence. Miss Nyambe Chuan, she will suffer in this life. I'm not joking. Jane O, what you did to me, I'm not for your negative stories, but look, Miracle Bank, Silver Fidelity Bank, or Action Chapel. Heading to the bank, more the man be grown up man be, but only near escort. I want to right hand man friend. Oh, DKB. Oh, come and meet honorable. I'm in department, government department or friend honorable me GD because now I wasn't confirmed. Oh, honorable, this is DKB. Man, no who me down. What's DKB now? Story no about the team because story no or the graphic show be 75% of front page. Dang, what? 75% of front page. It's a newspaper or Medina. Nejina eyi. Ashoma Estate.
Kade wapocho. That's why I apologize.
Graphic showbiz workers crew be me or send a message. Oh guy, let it go, let it go. Or a both into to action. How do you destroy my image like that? And you baby the year before no. Now me and one man show point of view. Until the following year, and come back the second edition. Into all semi ratings no. And up to now, I'm show the second edition.
Now, DKB.
I'm not playing. You don't look. I don't. Or a personal for me. I mean, casting look. Obe bro, we are saying Jane O. Graphic show. You suffer in life.
Now, DKB.
Oh no, look. People have done me things in this country. People have done things against me. Why am I a thief? Am I an armed robber? No. I always stand to fight for Ghana comedy. That's all. Now comedians will risk our Ghana. Armed robbers or how do you call it? Screenshots. This one on your story now. How many years now? The story was 2017, 18, 19, 20, 21, 25 years. People are still insulting me with it. And you want me to forgive? No, I can't forgive. I cannot forgive.
DKB na school myself we would also would power that been done a shape a crankawa.
How many are breed them since I become better fast. You be worry.
About time this year.
Ghana, yeah, did it. The John Duman on why inflation or former. Fuel prices are stable. Thank you.
But at least not buy is stable.
Of our own. It's my brabo, your brabo. I don't know. Now marry into me warrior. Rent to interview. Nothing will change in your life. Why would you? I'm a phobia. Me phobia because look, I'm a feminist. Shebibi. Hi boss, it's DKB who was told he is not funny by the Nakunidu. So no surprise here at all.
Oh, DKB. DKB, you're a very nice person. You're a very nice person. Now, DKB, I'll pay Michelle some kokra. Now, so no more questions. A few questions to be more. Shema, a rabbi reportage in a point of view, Nana. Now, a rabbi story, no, I'm not sponsors no question. I don't two jokes in the sunny. Like, what's up? Oh, we get kicked down and then we get back up. Oh, what more before ma? Now more do. And a sorry better. A sorry better. Into no DKB, a one can say, Mamma catch or home the menu yard. Menu yard do be no reportage into and your point of view. Into because of getting into point of view national. Papa Momodo, nada. Sorry. Nyana pay DKB minyawo. Jesus deal. Shabalabalaba. Ma Montiado na monko onsroma ensamdo onsroma yereshirai. Onsroma yereshirai. And da boga high life. Mo from no hair o win ma koma every week. every week. I will show you know I oh into no so my highlights ni yen show be na yen bro 6 year. Right? Okay. Na mo show wa face in so why fe pa and one na nyom na about to.
CK man nyom.
Okay. Na CK man nyim na say.
Oh me hu that me nyim no.
Na do nyom be na about to na.
Adwa Yankee.
Na oya nyuma atem dada wa another every perform nyumi ya na etenyum no.
Oh Martin dada ba minim to. Nti me ba be perform ya na me hu to a me year rehearsals
Adwa Yankee. Adwa Yankee. Adwa Yankee. Adwa Yankee. Adwa Yankee for way to ya me. Adwa Yankee for way to ya me. Yes sir, yes sir, yes sir.
And that and 24 I can't be ebomu ewie no. Results no and I ye show no. Nti mo amun hwe and they are all coffee. Lord Noble.
Yankuna unewo, yankuna unewo. Come on. Yankuna wedewo.
If you move that is not the end of the road. I keep saying this. Lord, be strong. Eh? How do you feel? You don't want to talk. You'll be fine, okay? You can go and do big things. But my say as I'm home. Huh? Mama can't say me sure. So much is nobody no na my counselor. No cry na me any ehu. Ma sha cry asha every week be say why? Why? One vote mama from no. Ehu Lord Noble. Very good by all standards. Now so no votes are no. Ehu say she work akran cry na Daniel born ke creepy. Hey, what buy Daniel so free? Like one vote mama want chawa one vote. One vote, but competition akasa the way our tight no. It would be to be see at any time because when you know you're good. It's be to be see at any time. Oh, Lord Noble, and that or no film. On Soma, Lord Noble, you can't buy treno. Into no, and Soma no. Sisi we are down to 8 contestants. Lord Noble with him under that. Now so no make trend there. Abrabono the name kakakana. Unko no boni nyina. Ninya eneza onfa. Because life is not all about Nsroma. Uncle na Brabado. A very good boy by all standards. Namuraho. Now so no ended that high life in you mean as another word to we. Not my can show the judge or crowd or baka a Japan or yeah Uncle Bessa Simons. Now Bessa or Chima. You not number from Tuni be or Honoma or an Arancasa no produce, not a mixay, not on mastay. And you know, Narankasa, no, you a Jumanina. Now I have of Maka Crame. A Juma, why years back, 20 years ago. Now, my family, what's the home now? Oh, what you genuine Mandama? Uncle, then you are Jaja, Uncle Namso, Uncle Wessa. Now, my family, why you me? You feel it then? On your check a car, so Imuna, Yamasanoko. And that's all Bakana Famano, we meet to expectations, Anna.
Yeah, I mean, very good because and with the number from them to bounce off a platform beer or ye one home gromazi. Into Seko baby, I know what kind of performer as the BBA or ye very authentic of you chrome as a baba. I mean, I'm impressed. The way to more handle and you more to them, not 2 years and papa, especially and ye impa as in year. And see what start one them no. We feel that they should keep it up. Number from many hours of worship no. Ubomu there in the background of ribbon. It's not be a tronium, Papa. They will know where it comes from.
Okay. Now, and you know what? To be a honor, my way and your mono. It's feeling it then.
The feeling is great. I mean, and you know I started from the scratch, finished it, mixed it, mastered it, and it became a hit. I mean, I think God has been good, and Yumbia Maya, it's still relevant in the system. And to see my from the day water, no. It reminds me anyway, I started very young, but I learned new high life, everything. Classical music, na musician. And seeing with there, no wa bomb mutum, make sure you them. Then, are you good? Are you good?
Why
si oni pane jasoman oni pe oya wo be yo oni pa wi o pa fe bi so anyu po inte no no hasam aranyen akobesa anya mi show bebre so many years ago so anyum no like the songs are so good so good into no nyame insha wo bebre there where my na nanom na ye maame no mo feel those days no asasa into no I had na mezi an se page mezi no mezi besti na me catch on se nyipa nyina do wa due na menyu PRO no ye set Chris and Thomas and na wojina camera no osmosis na prosper and na wire sound no Sandra Sana Kapo ye me producer wo be Kofi Pedro producer director press lana man no phone na mikite me da ho nyina ras nya me show be brenya me adoma Wednesday ye basana ye share
Yede ahobrase ene nyamesuro e ka kire nyankopon se yeda na se if you say oye na nadom ne mobro hu edoso na de bia so e fresh if you say ene last day ya e twato obosum ye tosumi no February yumi aye o chefa e yadom if you say de bia me kasa enkwane adechie se ne boarding you se efo o de oda brese ade achen wa misa ne bo onim de ye nso e nyame adom ne bia ye de nyame ase so de ne nso ache na ye stre nyame na ase last days are dangerous nti onhu ye mobon fa ye ntwa February na March ne nso ne nua na oba no onfa ye nwramu yie no no ankasa ntutu ya na mo ensisi yie e wo brekon so obehwe ye nso a ye ho ma asembo ne bia medofo ye de ahia e wo afisem komo cheche so e wo bedwam kaisa ma feel pa ejide se onso afa me pa ye ba bedin komo na Bishop Bright Adofo Efo Salasi kwabenada romanti agese wanfre no anopa sori ya enso ja na yerefu agemfu aho no abetna ha se ne be ya wonso ubenya bibi asua o mane ntitiyem abrabo no se de obebo no na wadandan won kakra se body ehuja so eti anopai yedanase ye ne bedin komo na de enkomo na ne ba bedie enkomo ene ne ba bedie ne se oya awofo ye wasede se suku ubema aba kobi ededipa ahobambo ne ntade hyem ene dabrem na oya ne saa nyina awie na se onyi dum pempenso a waso adwuma ya adwuma esesa abofra ko na awowo no na se wanya be ye pani no oye no wo awofo no eye masede se zamana mutumi dwen ma mo ba no se dan mo hwe wa pedwadie enti bese no nkogye apata makola ho mawo na koton ade anase da bi dan mo pemra nsempa enti chenchina che se mitimi hwe se wo be ye lawyer ni anada bi dan mo nam se ukra me hwe wa sofu maame bese me nsa se mfa onko Peace Chapel Bright Adolfo ne training school ne fa ne simple Peace Bible School na sase na kosua nyamesem no na dachi wa be ye sofu ba eno eye wa wofo no efa mo ho eye mo asede anase abofra na nkasa na du ba bia otimi dwen ma ne ho se me hwe me ho a me kase pa metimi driver ni papa ana metimi carpenter ni papa ana metimi doctor ni papa we ni ye nkomodie ewo efisem so ye wa kwanya esi ebedi sankomo ya na ye enwumako we adaroma se wiase kwa abefo otena ye emfa me ho ana we nyina kra mo sesese ne bia ana we nyina kra Yesu na eba na wiase wie ye na obeye late di wiase na duro no saa na akoba no eye abefo ene se kra no wa wo phone ya ekura te se me die yo na opese wotie Adom FM Joy FM Asempa FM a eno an se odu phone na chewa no Google me pese me tie Adom FM pese me tie Joy FM pese me tie Asempa FM go baby ama eno ane say wutie o say ewiase ayeda ye mrepa eno ye technology and multimedia ye de aba me kan for the ama say eya fa phone no Android no eyesa so you so iPhone so a eno aso be go multimedia Ghana play Joy FM for me ebe ye e de ama eti radio M1 ha ho phone no aso timitie technology multimedia nko a na ede abaga na wiase ha wo ho akwanya bi afei nso yenuanom Joy Prime for ede bibi foforo bi aba Philippines for no abrofo no wo mo no ma yes ne bi a chese ede eda so no until we meet again na ewiase ye Ghana high crowd de obete until we meet again si ebe hiem biewa na obi ewu na ne ye twa na jo a ne ye ne nyame ya lu ebe hia bio ba wanya saa o so hwese ne bia na be ho se obi de abufuo etua obi so ka ate na kwakosie enwura bi mu dua bi so ko Joy Prime ko hebi na ne me kan nyina no ti ase na be ho se wiase no ewowura na nipa nso so ewowura pa afei nso Kelta Koto face abase emofra no ne mpanifo no won wadwen mo ho aya metai ka wo ebi o asikasem ahokyere ne hianti edura paninum no abofra ne ye de bi ma no tubo nse paracetamol na panini no ba kwa won se na maame ebumbe nan no ama ne fa chese wo yakwala be fafa da bi Kelta Koto face 24 de ho ena mofra so de ho eba beboawo ama osiapo na wanum kanso akoyie kane no ane ede board tirefra jebidie ma yetwe yese no na omunimo na omunim no ye kromo ye nananom no na omunye nkrasefo na omu wonimde no na ene ni aye na abefo kakra eba beboawo amwanum akoyie nti bechichi osinde a Kelta Koto paste no ena me kanfo ede amaw CD capsules no so wo ho say memene bi na afei etumi mwa na nkwamo ewo mu no womu nyina pabe na da wanya hoden akonyuma so afei so CD ointment no wo ho say bia na anu ye wieye Sandra Kaponum party omkoye a wo se nikotodwe ye ne ye osedi Sandra Misa Kapo ko pebi twitwi no wanya hoden aye fantam ama yedi why eto so hia eno bi na etumi aboa opa aye Mame enkamfo St Andrew Senior High School so ma say admission no gusua ekoso etifa obako no mo ebeje no Grace Gift Herbal Clinic enso wo ho se oden haban ebesa yare bia wo de ko ho na wa kwa be ho se masem kra wadodo enwuma kuo yinti je ba bedin komo Facebook ni ye live wajenche no fafa ho ebrebe mu a making kan e de ama man kan pa ewiase kra hu wajenche a ode boa enkomo yi efo sala simpa cha kwa aba
na mama
na pom te sen
yeso adoma
asafo manyina ho ye me de emomachi menka bia me amehu na peace akwa asafo manyina peace o
shalom
brand beba ti yebeshia but papa yen komodie nie say yen nyina ye wo ma ye wo na asi o hwese de oko school ko de osua adwuma asua but ensa na ebedu empempenso bi no ehase efifom so ho te se ka akire kra Kristo dia ha na ebia wo hwe na adekwa ese oye wo na bra bom a ebeboa na system no eye wo ne maame gemfu a asede anasa abofra no na sese otimi ho se da bi me kan twi pa anti de diamond ha ye kra no ese no la mkokohwe eno no eye awofo dia na abofra na asema
medase enam sa kwasu nchia ohwefo ewiase nyina
omojo so das
amezo nchia se okura muza
amen edanyamiase
so mo onya hofe
edanyamiase so achema hofe
achokura
edanyamiase kwa edanyamiase enti se nyami gina ha nyamem dasi o
and we I answer na member we no my program tell
okay
so be osofo and osofo mame ana meko mame church leader church official bia be ministers conference
okay
free afibia corona ntibe mfimens enye America for na eba be apostle Donald J live we dey onim dada
yo and dey fi krom branches ni nyina na ye hiem fa kono eno ho asem na okay
we dey move from kro dey American for na eba
omumu na eba ni ye hiem wo headquarters
yes
okay
yeah so for
yo
but we say dey ubabi e bebo so chance The budget say we Adom TV no pena o be a conference ni free.
Okay.
Ya wada. Ye be ko enkoko.
Oh, okay.
Assembly of God.
Jo.
Anopa no nwotwe.
Okay.
Ifiada ye be ko eye Methodist Church. E wo Konongo.
Okay.
Ena memenda ye be ko Tema.
Okay.
CAC.
Yo.
A community 4 anopa no nwotwe.
Okay.
Kwesi ara ya soro anopa ewia no me nsan ye be ko bunso.
Okay.
No me nsa. Ena na otwe ena e di na nkasa.
Oh, okay.
E wo enkran. And a holiday.
Enti obi okro ni baby akọ. Ade achi ni wonware ekura ntomasi mu. Wode kokonsa ni sekuo sa we beboa no. Be sua bibi. Na we pentuma na ade abo mu na gu baby. Na kotie nyame asem. Udu nkokọ ya mechia wom. De won Notre Dame kwa no so no. Me won kokọ na mkọ Assemblies of God. Enti mechia asafo ma wo ho nyina. Tu kwa ka to se mechia wom.
0244. Okay. 23 5570. But your one phrase is this a point. 0244 23 5570. Kuma senso a 10th. Okay. A year March.
Jo. Ya tenti shenen so. Fa hojim na kogentity ya beboa na watimi adwen no aye bibi ama hosofo ye dase. Mr. Oyemra ye komo no so.
Yes, we a jane na. Na ene oba. Mara papa etiase no. Oka kire me se akoda bia no. Se obeye bibia age se de ohwa kora de onu abetumi aye. Ti me se me abofra no papa bi sam se de na mpese meye.
Okay. Papa tobo o papa say se wo tete abofra ese se wo hwa abofra no. De abofra na abetumi aye.
For example, me ba Kristo de ase mu se o ye good item.
Okay.
O so form o benu o tutu ni se sia.
Okay. Engineer.
Nem se ku ade ebefa IT no say da neke say enti hwe de o ye no neke say me hwe da nse no.
Okay.
But me to me identify adoma actually the talent bi o wa na ma guide no.
Okay.
Onu say Bible na ka say parents you say train a child. Yentete mofra e kwan pass o munyamu mfiri ho. Enti me ka say we ejane na boni wo so beka say obanye we obetumi suggest.
Okay, ama abofra no.
Yes, but enshane pote. That's number 1.
Enti ye be kono matu no so no. Se obi nso hwe na se o wabofra wo fie a obehu a otofon kra bia nche oyi nani na ne ba na tutu agu ho. Wahu onye nsemone.
That's right.
Onye nsemone. Osuade.
Osuade.
Bia obre pa ansa na oto.
But the talent no nti yenga ejanom no. Yeah, this you say we need to observe our children.
Okay.
Yen hwe won. E dey na otumi ye.
Ne otayo. Awo yen so otumi ye.
Otumi ye ni ye.
Na chese ni die mu no.
Ni die no. For example, me say papa ni go sua TV and radio.
Okay.
No. But then papa nanka the o catch them no hwe ni ya. Me dey fie nwotwe no. And I'm starting me preach or presby.
Okay.
At the age of 8.
Presby as on them.
Yes. Me the pulpit ayi na egina so tentin preaching.
Aye, praise before the tete.
Ya akonwa omo wolodu akonwa sa na me gina so na me preach.
So me who dey ocho dey am bo no kakra ka bi say because ya anya no sama wa ye hu
enti guys ba po tu mo say ade o ka kire mani enti o dem ko so adwuma me ye adwuma but me kwa sori a na me hwese na me keka me ho no a
ukwa adwuma mu antisa
okay asa mani jebi sonko wa so dem de me friend yes ade friend me sofo at the age of 8.
I see.
As me call Pentecost nyina no menya officer menya dike menya hwe
wanya elder title ni bi da Pentecost I saw them
your friend me sofo
okay
enti me shase o ewisa Pentecost
okay
e ba me ya sorry me ba amateko gakrakra da koma district fadama sa e de sa sana ya me hu bobu
enti efa ho se na usa no se o gina puppet ne so se wo ya sorry o ya sorry ma sabre no so for cry no yes of pani o ho ne hu se kole wa ya sorry
me di mfie nwotwe no odifo be fere odifo Abraham oba
okay
omba be ye conference we krase na me nya akwan gina the pulpit so no omo de anointed 32 ne gu me so
makoma ko 32 bottles
as a D4 32 obi ehwe gu me so say David akwa we pap omo bisa za hwan bani
I see
nti de ke sa de na ho dada
okay
nti adwuma ho se wasofodie omo esua ye de adom de che
okay
nti na ke se de make na say wa wo ye ja a wo ye nna no oba na wa wo no hwe no
okay
bia onyo obia na betu mathematician obia na betu doctor
debi
lawyer onyo obia na betu aye
debi da
on pataya na say on say system this Africa for me buy a doctor me buy a lawyer
pakrachefo me fie
enka nye bone na obetumi aye
okay
nurse ye oni abotre won ya mono so me nurse
ayo watia okra ma yare ekosoro
enti e me kana say ye hwe wom
okay
ba anya no nko akwara bia onyame de ne beso e wo no onyame obotai nti
okay
Jeremiah 1:4 say mara wo be wiase na minim so be wo difo kwansa na wo ba enti agya ne na e konkoto dwanim na bi se nyame adwene se me be ya de ma me obotai ne sen
okay
eno de ya na emamu kura god me bi ya hwe ya yeah, this hard, the best I see. We need to know God's assignment for every child.
Enti obi pe nyinsen waye bibia onyebi. Enti utu yefo anopai se ofre ye ne baye o. Se wutwem akodi wa grandpa so ne baye o. Efi bra obewo abofra no bedu ho no esese obi se nyame se sa kola we wo de ne maame se obeye den.
That's very important. And no bet my 99% of akora no ni yedie.
Wow.
Enti oda ye furu no mpo no amara wo man nufuo no na obi se nyame adwene.
Wow.
Enti onu se wani be ba ho so woni de obeye. For example, my grandpa me wonana.
Okay, ye de nyame ase.
Pastor Brighter.
Oh ye de nyame ase.
The ba no onya 3 months. But me hwe nyame ani mu no awade me hu akora de obeye me nana no.
I see.
Straightforward.
Okay.
Enti onya me wi ase no na minim but oba ya ye bom pa within akora na onya 3 months. Ye ntu ne dim.
Okay.
Ma me no de nyame aka kire me.
Wow.
Enti eja enna grandma grandpa was sending say obey there na obey.
Okay.
And obi a wutie me ayap akoda be a young person so awo de bia wanya sa akwanya no enka achi.
Okay.
Onyame da so ho.
Okay.
Be say nyame age say wade why am I here? Eba wa do because adwuma on say adwuma nyame de hye on say be ye no na be sign you.
No kre.
Me adwuma bi enu ametuma ye ne da.
Caso for dear.
Oh, emfa.
Now so wedding fear hen e do your
32.
Wow.
And you know say become kuro mom so we anya nwa. Obi a
omo enimu mofra bi mu no.
Me master wo kire madwuma. E won kan. This oh press ade da wo tesi.
Okay.
O tesi ma ye bua so say na say me copies. Ade ntia na say me ba de o me wanyuma mu no. Me kan 60 chapters Bible a day.
O say
60 chapters.
Hey.
60 chapters a day. Read my lips.
Sir,
me wajuma mo about 12 ya me break 1 hour me kan Bible. Me coffee anajo me di nsu si wo na me na si na me kan Bible.
School ni okocho nso he.
Enso so me nya so for me nya hwe.
Wow.
23 days me kan Bible nyina wie.
Enya me ngwa because onim na copies chapel a anka ojina simple so ya asori a ento so onwie no. Wo da no o pamphlet you say o diary no ka say okocho 1 page abehu say wachorobro because okasa na eba ena nya aso dem honko se wani di ne nkomo achi pa yete ha ikura no ento so obesore no wanya okura nya 10 de no de jao eti enokura ye de woka no ehu adanse de papa yate ye ya wofo ye hwe so anope ye gina ye nkomo twetwe so na ya hye wunkran se emfa ho se wote self contain mu na wawo ena emfa ho se wote sa kiosk bi mu no ena wawo ade aye friend say eba a wo wanya bi no bisenyame say obeye dia mame na nyame moa wo na so atumi adada abofra
no ntini say wa twere say Psalm 127 say children are gift from God and kwada no omo ye achede nyame na de ma wo enti nyame de ma wo na ke say nyame obuta bi enti but nobody is on earth by accident not at all we are here on assignment e hona wasi ehunu santi Galatians 1:15 Paul say Ewade a ohu mi si ansa na me beda mameyem he separated me from my mother's womb Galatians 1:15 adani aba wiase na ye mi se nyame adwene
I see
enti uni bibi onipa bra wo bere wiase nyina ne say we mix the mark ya mix your mark that's why we are suffering
I see
anka ye me bread da but o bread ne say ye be wiase ye mi se nyame a ode en ba sa se so no
de ye ba be ye enti onipa ntumi nye bibi yesi di frisura manansa enti de ye fen frisura ma wo no wo de nenam kwanche ho sa na afi wo bo ba yie
eno ye John chapter 3
sesi a we yi 4 na ato ho no 4 no
yeah enti mun say on say obi won ma oton jabidie we si edan okuma
yes
we si da on kran obi so ye bank odeka
mo mpacho enkoma na mu da ho ma o empre wo ho ha wo ho enkodi line a yemfre wo mu line bi wo ho betumi edimu a fine ebetumi edu so ba obehu se ahoden ne emre bi a wo sai wo sa queue nim no senka wo bi sai nyame a anka akoda da so ho enti me pese me yesa o pese me yesa no to obo ase na e bia na nyame amo se o pese o yesa obi
asofudi ekura ya anasa e Bible school o to so oni asofu ya wati asore nso oni idade oni asofu ya o se ye ko nkoko ena me hia Pentecost wa me pani a oni makion ena ye adwuma apostle makion ye adwuma
okay
o me din o se bishop se ma o se o asofo yan but o sofo we di oni bi sa o sofo no ka so oni bi no se oni asoro no mentamenti bi da se ma me pani a oni apostle makion na mo se me hwa o asofo yan but o sofo we di oni bi
I see
na menti bi da enti obi wono mo ado se ebia ada so yoni hafo
okay
anase ebeto no kwamu anaye ne fekeke politicians don't some people that they are not called to be in politics
pamcho musu mutie ha pamcho musu mapawa na edru so
because leadership is service obi a obeya MP assemblyman hwe ba bia wo hwe wo kwan okra wo fa so
okay
okwa abem so oboye den o Africa ha nipa bebre they don't qualify to be in politics even presidency nanso aja afọ baabi abehye because obedi awde na wo
wo dem fifa baabi sa na mba ye te se ayi akokohwede na obutu kosu enye ne de so obenya ayede nanso se be wieo ene wankasa nkasa kwati kwan bi a obefa so a saa de ko no obenya enti papa ewo ho wo se enipa bi ye bibi o matumi enya kwanya na ye but ne ho kwa akomu no obi nso wo a na ade bi a oye no onam kwan mutin efise ye difiri soro ama no nti kwa na okotin anope wo hwe yen ya na wo ya awofo a yen komo a ye die no se de oba be ye se adwuma o de bebo ne bra wa asetene mu no wa awofo no eye wasede ni bia anase gya abofra no no ankasa take decision no e ma ne ho papa ye hwe ne sei so abofra bi wo ho a ade bia wo ye bia e ma awofo yem hyewom ne tirimu odin ne ehunku ana oye na gurdie mu kura no otimi bo bi na chese nyame amoa na ugina nchen a wanso nipa ko abo ne mu na wo bo na ku no wo de saa no de anyi wo ba saa nso a papa no nso ebe ende oye something ti enya no
ebi Yesu Kristo se mo kwatemi amuntu nya hwe
okay
John 15:5 onyame ensida no den fosi kwa Psalm 127 verse 1
edru ho sesi a de 3 aka ho
by strength no man can prevail 1 Samuel 2:9
yenya 10
every house is built by somebody
okay
God is built of everything Hebrew 3:4
11
and yes Sadia
okay
konkoto dwanim
so wo sa ba no
yes as a matter of fact everyone was say when ya daje na ebia o super so driver o ko busumi sia ko sua driving o person doctor o medical school na wo be wo na wo ni adage se o be ko nyankopon anim ase nyame adwene abo mpaye if say efifiri mu no ensem wom 2 Corinthians 10:3-5 no say ya na mo wi ase ntokwa ye die no enye honam ntokwa
papa say den second
2 Corinthians 10:3-5 was it
2 Corinthians 10:3-5
was it na honam mu die na so osa ye tuo no enye honam mu sa
I see
like I say we wi ase away no there's something we call beyond the natural
okay
bibi ho no e chen physical oba no a oyesa na ase opeso kunipa ufi abaifo ni tumi bi e ofie ase no bibi na bibi ade oye na abofra no asue no so saa no
I see intend dey yemfa wo yentimi nwa kola o te se Goliath on de bi oba na wo de no wo be kankrofo ahye
yentimi nwa say there's something we call temperament and your inborn traits
okay
mame moje bi efi ni mu a na de abedu ho
okay
na no betuma say wo de wo no but efiri ba bi na bai
no kre
o Ezekiel 18 1-4 o say a baby wo Israel say akwada obehuna mane no ne papa bo ni ntro obehuna mane like something we call negative inheritance
okay
ejapade bi a obeto so a efiri akiri bi na baaye sa ne man nyina ho nti hu oba na ne su ne ba no ne nje ho a ye di kan ka obeba no woni Yesu nimpu have encounter with God.
I see.
Na sense anya sa enka echi.
Okay.
God the otumi ade nyina ye konani mo mpa bo ma wura de me bai woni mo bo fa unsaka no na sesa ne suban e ananya no ma dako obasisa
anti aye no kro wo se obi o ho a ne mofra brem no oba na obi adwane but otumi nyi du pempenso bi a afi onya nka nipa men no so de odinyi enti obi aso no wasesa
empire botu nyame tumi ade nyina ye
okay
oyo siesiefo
okay
enti me de migi di se wo se bia oba so won o kasa ontie ni suba no ne nje ho a aya de di kan do no se oye ofo no
okay
do no se ne do no matter what go for penasem kra do no bi se onyame odo yen ye da so ye de boyefo no Romans 5:5 yes be woman yen
I see
indi se oba nyempa wo de no
okay
na wo do ni wi a face nyame moa enti de message se da mo a nyame adom afi na mo be kura mu yi mo fa mo pa ye ni agoro
yate
because mpacho wo ba se wa bra bo no be yi a obenya ho to correct oba bra bo ka ho wo ya oba be wi ase
baba wa kasem kesi obenya ho to ewu correct that is asase so na e ba no kra no emma bi wo ha wo ma utimi nya ho to nwu
de na me ka na say bibi wo mu a e connect oba no so long as your child is alive oba ya oba
okay
oba ya oba
ukura oba ya oba o usa ya ma fo ka say mi hu mi ma me say mi hu mi papa say
endi say wa nyame hu mobo no ansre Yesu moa na wa no nyame ye na oba ne begimi asase so a wa so be yese
Yesu ti otete aduane bone ma oyefo no a Yesu ti aduane bone ma den oyefo no di a ebodondo ma osa enti wani ankwa bofra ne ho na wansre mi say Awurade we kura de entina de ne maami o se bi o hokra otimi ka se metwa awon so mi hu ya na manyam ati so no wo de bibi na banyame de bibi abrewo wo bra wo se wetwa awon
mpesa o te se obi na repu wo sa wo ko twe mprem o dzin o akwada na wa ba wi ase nyame nim no
I see
enti de message ne se no matter how it is no ye nyame ne yense no mo a wono sabi Africa ha de ya wo keke menti ase oh da bi ya wo keke edi asem ni obi wonu so akoto twe no awo atwe no awo edi asem ni ne ya wo yegu sa sabi eto bi awo no bi ya wo fu ankasa ya mplane
na so nyame na di ama
oh nyame na di ama de make won di ase anu ase yegu enti
e ma se nyame di ama no na wo so the fact say etimi ba no enye pure sa okay
plan na bon ho mpa ese nyame moa na card ne kakra ye ni adaje man kwadai adwuma e se Ukraine e koso e wi ase ma bi minimum de o putin minimum ne papa ne mama e de asem ni
asem
ya se nyame ya moa o
ye di nkomo e wo afisem so e wo Badwam wa Adom TV so ye boa twan wofo adwen si so say hiam woni school fees into ba no kra school no won kobi ade achi woni ne nyina bia mo ne nam sakra bonten so okra politin bag na woton yes ma no ntobi mame bia won so sudua wa bi na ade akọ achi de ye kra ho na mokopie ho no bishop say enkachi fakoto dwenesi fom ne peda wani hwe Awurade ne bisa ne say na hade mama ne na me bayi nso ade nti no ton politin bag na mso me ton dua wa ya wie bia na ahyase no wa hu lemu ankodi o won kwan enye late se wa so na wo so nyame do call ya because bia wan so adua wa na obi nya bi ntwene se na emumu no eno so sire Awurade na sire ne se dua wa na aba wi ase beton ya omo a ne ton ne fenya dabre enye sa na
good
enti ye ma no so aya wo mo no se na ni so ohio se oye mrew se wote sanyo yen sha se nhwen fi ne mofra bremu no de otayo no
that's right
kola bi peduane no apa
no
to ne nam krom a ompe baby fo
that's right
opesa ankola ne ma na edi bo nkru no toma no
no anga se wonu musa kola yi obaye se kese pa daachi but ase won say ase ekuremu no lawyer banker
doctor
politician
nurse politician TV presenter na media
which is not bad but no ye born saying
okay
there for example say aye competition na ye de sebia double o kana man agira mo begina ho so mo nware nsu a ho na be di kan double
beko pa o double beko
if say hoye ni area
okay
enti ade a onyame de me nipa no say onyu area no a o be flop
okay
to bo no a o ye politician wa flop okoye den okosel man this ka kwa
okay
o so fo ye we sinya resources oni de oyo
okay
ade David say ono ane koye me mo de message ne say ye nkonya me ho na ye na ye parents no on say yesu say mo kwatim ya muntumi nya John 15:5 enti ye hu nya me ankasa
okay
ye hu say achede na nya me de mo fra na bre akwara ye nya me dia papa ho de anu o wa dwene say ebe boa me I don't know hia me kese
okay
angasa what the wani where say obetuma ye we mo anu ma free
okay
but the what betuma whisper you can have heaven announcement about your child.
Wobra obenyame. Na otenene.
Beno.
I see.
I mean, it's so interesting.
Okay. Enti no eto de bi nso a obehu se de ye ken ya wofo bi de aye adwuma.
Okay.
Enti ono onyaye asa awofo no omo nyaye anka bia omo bakra ye cameraman na camera woman se de ye mrante ye. But akwala nankasa nso no wono ebia ye director control console na china otie.
That's fine.
Ebia na awofo ne mpe. But no na akwala no so se ope. But to the bin so esan say ya awofo nyina di kan ba wiase gya yen ansa na ye benti. Aye omutimi hu de yen fo se be boa yen so na emboa yen.
That's right.
So wo abofra bi sa so a the fact say no na hu say oyem ade wo ho no gya no.
Ono say our parenting no I know so ya chede yo.
Ayasam
enya by force say the obeka bi na say obafa. Edu ba bi o say uti obakakra. But ni nyina mu no den nyame akafa bofra no. That's the question. Akwara na ebia ono oti konso na chi no. A person be cameraman na camera woman no. Nyame kan say fa no. And what God is saying must be the foundation
I see
of the decision making of every child. Then nyame kan. Me pa cho yo Kristo ni awurade da so kasa o.
Okay.
Oh awurade kasa treni pa dem bia.
I just say wa on ten ne.
Na kasa it is you. It is your fault. You are not ready. Ano pay wa Adom TV. Obi biara o hwe wo. If so they are to Adom TV. Na me say ni pa na say aya de bia no pa bia no so o hwe diamond.
Yo.
Oh, one found to Adom TV. Enti nyame da so kasa 24/7.
Okay.
But we are not ready for him.
Me no ya je.
Me ntiase ni entra ya ma Holy Ghost kwan say mo on kasa nkyere. Eno e be kwa so na me say urade. Ene de na ba say okay. Eno no pa.
Okay.
Ti me yesu na ke say obo me computer ni nyina. Ti me do so dem no yesu na fa.
Ah, wo say kasa na ye me dem no. Yesu na fa. Okay, eti yenkomo a ye di ne e wa fisem so no say. Unyanye anka oba no oye hairdresser kese pa. Eye. But akwala na nkasa wiase a oba ye no oye carpenter.
That's right.
So your oba mpo na se ohwe no na uja ne kakra bia ne leisure time bia no otumi de enua ekekese ani no de nado abobom obehu ana waya konwa enkase oba anye carpenter. Fa wani di na chiri tunefo bo ho mpaye ne de no no a oba carpenter obenya dwuma kra chamema no.
Oh yes.
Meboa.
Yes.
So for ye da se ye de si.
Oh oui.
Ye da se so ama ye ehu say efi na ekono enye ni nyina na ye de ya awofo no ye pe eto da bi nso a ye mfa ye ni ene mpaebo ni ye mofra na chi mpa ocho ye wie de wodi gya ye nkura ne asoso
the best say say we are here by we are not here on accident, we are here on assignment.
Okay.
Yeah, bibinti ni nyame de obai what the adwuma wo ye you don't struggle. I mean, look at you. It's a embodiment of your life.
If you're wrong,
I completely. You don't need to prepare. Yes. And nyame de chewo kwa. Anti if you could maybe nyame fa na crazy. Program bi. Na yesibe na me koye saware so pani bi na ebe preach apostle bi. Na me de me time no me 8 na me duro 10 to 8. Aye duro ho apostle yi ma on will be preaching on babies as a bishop. Can you preach? Me, a bishop, I'm not Philippians 4:13. I can do all things. I don't need to prepare some more. I don't know if
you say, yeah, the official amount. Okay.
What the way, Papa, and the American say, the audio baby has no idea be.
Okay.
Young Coneho.
Okay.
Young man.
Joe.
Encountering God.
Joe.
A boy.
Yo.
Wow, I have friends or baby as no. When you didn't do me, no, when you know.
Okay.
And one so konya meho. Any other for some adam for your doctor. And what they are not person me. You only shine in your giftings and your talents. O struggle I knew what you want to know.
Okay.
And the answer say yes, never boy. You have found bontage.
Yeah, that's.
And catchy.
Joe. Your conference, no?
Conference is very important. Yeah, can Bibles iron shopping iron.
Okay.
Or so for Yami Israel, so for Mammy, Dickness. Program no basso.
Joe.
Pitch up on tennis. And now, a free.
Okay.
A tier 5 conference. Ubabi Abayensa. American for any bishop out for a pitch up on tennis. Yeah. The battle frame 0244 23 5578. 0244 23 5578. 0244 23 5578.
Yesre enkwatentene ahoɔdenma sɔfo Salasi sɛ nyame fanom ne sa sɛ ne be ya adekye na ye frɛ na obenya ahoɔden na ɔde abetu yɛmfo no adanda yɛn efi na ɛkɔ oba no na so ɔden kra ɛyɛ mmerɛ ne mpaebɔ sɛ oba no so na so ɔmmerɛ but de ɔnam no ɔmpɛ sɛ awofo ana w'ani gye ho sɛ awofo a ɛno nso ɛyɛ nkotodwe na ɛne mpaebɔ yesu na ɛbɛfa bishop yɛ that's why yeah Michelle abusia me bishop hesem papa na brefi de kwabena dofo Michael Salda se odi so do so do ɛne edi nkomo ete pacho me na wie na aka me no nkomo foforo Mr. Otweme me basisia bedana se eda wonso ase ma feel papa ora kisi ye bo ma feel do me baba betwa hag wate but happy belated birthday nkoma Suzy Kwachiwa from Pon uko school Holy Child ewo Santa Maria Antieku. Happy belated birthday to you. Jesse say oma happy belated birthday and happy birthday so Efi Ochiamia Mwakonda kwa ho enkoma MC Yowo Boase Elijah Adansebona happy birthday to you say enti ene also ye wawoda na mamodi kra no ababia wo bia no nyame mesrawo na ne enti ene ne ye wo no nyame omane mrem ema afei adoahema ba nana ama Amsterdam Krines Kreuzberg nana ama yesi nipa nye na nipa ne biye na wokasa afo na omoye no ho nyame nhyiraw medase yenko modie no de etosom yi no wo se multimedia ye de asie ni so se enkuro bi wo honom a ba bia mofra no ko school no ene achechefo no bi wo kromo nu wo ho so mo ko training college because ba bia de o makoto se wo mo nko kira de no emu oya na multimedia fa to no ho so se ye besisi school adan no bi e de aboa na school adan na yesisi no nyuma bi nso abam a wo nso ede won nyuma de aba beboa se na be betumi asi school adan no emro chia ede amasafo no na sa nyuma kuro no baako eye hydroform technology kurade na omo ye a wo mo de bi beboa sa school adan ya yesisi Samuel Kofi Agbanyega ewo menchen ya me no edi enkomo Kofi Sami Machie na pomwe okay nti Agbanyega ka ho de Agbanyega madaguku wezo
yo
afua aha ofi ho ache on time Kofi
water cradi
aha but me hunentem because ma hweye na me do koye kurom a asam no bayire okay but all the same no hydroform for yedamase sama be come multimedia ho ayesisi school adan but hydroform technology brofo hydroform mo yede
empacho hydroform technology na technology be edisi dan
okay
if in South Africa
okay
and I think it's almost about 30 years and over since it was invented. Yes.
And I know I'm to South Africa.
Yes.
I see.
And you know, me say I had a knowledge from South Africa.
Oh, okay.
I want
so one year person kuminya. One year more a call abontenom kuhu bibia. Omo de tena hono.
Uhu ya na se me de kom krom Ghana.
There be me hu ye wa ha o.
Aha mom na usua no.
And ha na me hu ye. Aha. Na obi bua ma me konya ho ntete.
Oh, okay.
E wo na me san ba ya ye edwuma.
Okay. Tu ko sua wo ho no, wanka ho.
David.
E na ade aba ha. E na fa so aba so na ayi school a yesisi multimedia yesisi ama enkro nkito wo de mo ho agye mu. Mo ye ne sen.
Okay, inti we no. Na multimedia for person mu si school ma Jamra mine no. Ba na asese kasem no enko yi sa inti omo consult na yes okay be bo mu. Tuwache like we nya de omutua me ana so mutua ye ka.
Oh sir. Mo technology no. Wo full play ko sua ye ni nyina no. Mo de cheye.
Say ija hu say sanka wo Jamra krom ho a anka wo rebe ho because me do ho na me hu senior school dynasty no. Dan ya wo so mu a wo so na nkola wo mu. I mean, you can't just let go and forget about everything and commit to that. Look, whatever the challenge be esi akwan no be ye fi wa dwen na.
Oh, assemblyman.
Dabi.
Oh, MP.
Dabi.
MP be any ofie.
Dabi.
Ba wo ko hu ye na ka okoma.
You can't
sleep. You can't sleep.
Yeah. And won't mean that because you all want to no school dan ba ko be no so wo swapper. Insu to na say swapper. Sabe bia nkola no wuye no. That same structure na the premises wanna a swapper and you say omu hia mo and you say okay technology we be boom we bulletproof we earthquake resistant and we see fireproof we jato mo enche me fan say bia sedan na odi si a materials be say bia foam ne sa no na what eno be she but structure na kasa de
no
unlike say be jato market and na buy say okay ni yembu dan no na yesansi fufro
we no entesa technology na modisi na entesa
we jato mo a enhye enti na we ye faster and we so ye hyehye enti we ye twa blocks na after some days e be call curing process be ye be fa process bi ma be one blocks no ho aye din betumi ejina hash weather bia isuo beto ewia be ye nden still
enye no she
enti no before I will use no obehwe ahwe akwa will use obe test and we hu say ahwe we me the chop blocks na enha
antinya say mo sa ahwe bia akwa na mo de ye
debi obe test ahwe and you about 4 processes test process I say we dey ahwe and
from one technology ampa
and say hunim dia from echa wadwe me so we dey metumi about debi
in fact me kra me hu from echire no ade ne ye me fede but afa wo hwe ampa cho video no wo hu o sha out me who say I don't know by technology be
complicated
but who so twa
na munim hu adwuma ye so obeya ye ni
okay eno na wo hu wo TV ne so no nti mpacho say no baby amodru ye amode akoma pani mobrohu ene atu hu acha ye se de adru no mo abere ho scanner
Sikali I contribution e ba no mum na omama mate ase asa nti say so bibia e do there we are almost about 80% done akase ye de lentil beam no beto so e de to so wie pe na chese roof no aba na kola no betumi
mi twawa no na ye say akom no nchiremu ene ye say utumira na wa chiresie multimedia ese toto sre ye say obi anfa bi muwa na ye fancy school ma Jamra ene breman no ena wo no wo TV so say ya hyase ayeye enti onue nim de onu konya aye no ne nanyuma yefo mo de ache wo so de ene sen wo cement aye beje wo wo sika nso aye beje ti ba to fa bibra na yentumi wie ma school form of na ebra okasa na odu ba bi o se edan a ewo so no na nani so krata ne so wo de tena ho ne yentua tax ma na ma nkrofo ma tena sa school boni nim ne ekoka waka se ewo ho fitetete obi na de na dwuma abo nyame sha ate don sha wa dwuma so ene wa dwuma yefo nyina wae enti we no so u si edan so enye school down to me disi
edan bia
ene my number na ya afro wae tipacho my
Miami number na
number ye frɛ wa ye benya wa dwuma ne bi nko
ani see no we dey my focus on Jamra school dan no me pese me mom number me betumi contribution am multimedia na ye nhwe no ye wie no bibia no betumi anything else will continue but for now the focus is rescuing the children.
Prachi Tami hag na ya oversing nyame shawate
That's it.
Wo fa number bra na ya frɛ no yemfa contribution na e de be see dan ne momu de emra nsa
eno ne hia because and then me why say your friend me say dan ne bua everything is down zero.
The papa na nsa yes how as far as a virgin for 11 years for nyam no still e be the 40 years some ye virgin the papa ni bi ni nyame hira no hira wadwuma so wate aya fa bi bra contribution number no wo de ye tete bia to so no
omo contact multimedia
yate
betumi abona
yate emefa okay yo yate yedase nyame hira wate Samuel Nyamisha Samuel Kofi Agbanyega ye hydroform expert na me na din come honestly I was saying Craig me ne wakoma pa Nyamisha pacho me ne na wie but me sa no won komo foforo me ba sisia well ye no monsa na e fa dwen despite say ye hia okakra wa na e de si Gemra Bremai ene Jamra school dan no wankasa kra ofie ho no ekomode wa anane ma ntoto yi a enka akoma so ho but sene ma so betoto yi na bibia ofie anopai mo a mokunom wo mu di fufuo ne nkwan fresh asa na makwadwuma no ene na digital satellite nya afi na anobetutuntu na wo afekura na obi bompai a wada so wo ku fufuo abetuetua ya so machine no awie
written. Written. No.
Yeah, to be say, "What's a compound house?" I feel because he said that don't much for dia na. Oh, now your connection. There be one me to the cement in the tiles. Digital satellite. Kennedy digital satellite was him and I ear cano. Fufu machine was him dika but there come there. Brother, I am come. I
was say o ka ho asem ye because fufu there.
We go ba ho. Me che bi wa na eduku me ni atwea.
Fufu ye. Na okay. Say no. Ye de aba ye dutwam ni say yakofa Kennedy commercial fufu machine aba. Eno no de
choba afo no.
Obia.
I see.
Enye choba afo nko a. Me ni umienu nyina. Ebetimi atobi.
Na de ye adwuma.
Obi oni adwuma ye ne na kotena no.
No unemployment no ya teso.
Ya teso. Enti say no de eye Kennedy fufu machine na aba. Me sure me no wosimadu ye nkasa na tie nsem papa efi aso obi bisa say mo amotonton mo nioma de na mu bi adwuma. Me sure wo wakatua anso wo ya ban adwuma ani wo ya ankrankre. De bia da wo complain say wakatua anso fufu machine utobia eye adwuma chen ka. Eno no nya fi na akoto spare parts. Se wo light e be use light na e bia say wo light ni ho e be use fuel. Enti mesre obi bia momodian se ena no pai wodi wani be kire Kennedy digital satellite enkran eni kumase no akokoto commercial fufu machine ni bi ye ne de baaye ena manfu usua but eno de ye obi ansua bi na memo pede ye papa na wo be koto ne ma abosem eni koka ni ho a bra Kennedy digital satellite ye showroom ne da so no enema ye de aba no esewani ense wo ka kire ye numbers ne susu guso bomodian ne phrase si a wo de wo Accra na wo panima ni bi atu fufu machine no me say papa no na Kennedy digital satellite di aba no eno ane say wo be frɛ e won kran 0244 385136 and 0243 074750 wonim say fufu machine no every day say unya choba bi nchen na de opposition every day wanya kura benya 200 Ghana cedis
no kre o
me say every day because choba owner no say enei na otimi 7 customers e bia da san be miensa a day because of fufu machine nti say e be ko nanim customers are omo be queue twan pe fufu e bia pam pan na ade wo ma esi obi nsa ne ho nkro no ba nyina atwam
nhia ye de gum okwabra ne fifire
na no mi ko gina ba ko bi mi dwane
obedwane
because ujafo the town no kra emu nsuo no edoso me so mo apu modin ho hia
okay
bomodia se obenya Kennedy commercial fufu machine mo amoso mo pe efie die no ye domestic one no ho
okay
fu obi antobi say ni die adaje ni ho ewiase ba bi ye duru no bibia ye smart tete atimpo no atwam ye bibia foforo ye Kennedy commercial fufu machine je odie kumase numbers ni 0244 385128 0244 385128 and 0207 65 3031 0207 65 3031 kumase ye wo adum
mo mu free Obuasi Sunyane bebia enkran kwan mo nyina mo kɔ Kumasi a Adum Family Plaza abrosan ni me ho ne wo sa so na Kumasi so yo Patase Adom House ye ben police depot ho no ma Patase police depot ye ben ho no Accra ha udu ani kire ka so akwantempo so aka kitua bi no adu eye West Hills Mall no udi ebisa se he na ekokro Bite Junction si ho usi ho a opposite ho na obi hu se Kennedy ebutu Accra ye 0244 385136 0244 385136 and 0243 074750 afi upe TV papa TV ani da hot say Adom TV ahia so to Kennedy Digital TV
okay
KDS
so say normal branding no
ya branding
KDS TV okay
the sister air for chain TV bia o market
sir
smart so 100 4K
they ultimate di wa phone connect no me sa TV no manage ho na me tu awofo bia so for say eno bi na wo hia because so say ye mana aba no omo onim de ne chen ye ya wo
ni ade nti no so connect ama no
tu connect ma na akola na ehwe ade bia wo hia se na be on kasa ma me mpem asem papa wa wo phone na so pa no ayi afiso
na nkwala tablet omo di sua de utimi connect ma sa TV no na afia akola na eba fia na odi sua de na bia kema nti KDS TV mo mu pe TV atu akoton mo metobi wo so a wo pe bia yusu ofie wo hwe ma wani nya wo ya eye kama papa afia TV bia bi a ohia no ye wo bi e wo ya so ye wo dia ne se wo de obeba ye showrooms a e bi wo eye kaso a okro Bite Junction opposite e na fe nsu Patase e na Adum ye fi TV ni so a ye nko washing machine se se de e ma na bre ani kaki ni jeans si wa ge ikra wo nye ne ho ade wo so sa dwa ne ho edu weekend a sitate na wo ma fie na obwa obemu akosi jeans akosi kaki wo de sister ofre wako bo kwa kamfo ade we man say omra Kennedy meto washing machine papa e 54K 7K cheza K no de ope bia you obi ho your washing machine a esi niam ni wia na sa dry ne wo ada so se person bi laundry business wo de say otiba bi zen kan kuma san mo ne ade a amamfo akrache for no mini time mo ebesi om ne mo de bro na we si na wo so wunye sika so wo tiase na wo fa amamfo adwuma mu ni nyina ne say wo be phrase si a wo Kumasi a 0244 385128 0244 385128 wo Accra 0243 074750 no afre no abeje odie we aban dwumani a odie Jeffy eno ane se odi pay slip no brain ni ahwe affordability se wo so enima bi ohia bia ntebo na ne azasa de amount
na mo de free no
aye de free
na ye nya ban adwuma no so
wo nya ban adwuma wo de ne de guarantee wo ho aye de be ma wo ne se ebia na ope ebia deep freezer aye bia su be miensa a che se e kama wo ba ne a kire wo ebo no ye kire wo bo na ogitum su betua ne ya spread amount kakra wo tuatua utua wia no abepija wa de na de ne se wo no eduru se obeba ne ya to bo ne mu mpa
enkan sa ebra wo to no sa bre na ne mo abajuma ni de
ho na
se sama ne mo maje fi eyo
controller
ya te ase ne abajuma fo mo sampa o okay
sister air condition dey oba ho de be hwe
sa
no say air conditions are air ba ni nyina no your gas bi edigum tetede na twam enti eneyi say companies mu frɛ amanfo say omo ma ye maintenance ma omo bre no mu twam di no mu giska me sure beto air condition entwe light
okay
eno so a ni gas no foforo aba ni nyina bi ni akofa ba ope 1.5 horsepower wo adwumam wo office ba bia efie eno ha Kennedy air conditions no enu bi na wo hia bo mo de be pebi e ma no so mo kitchen ho no efiti deep freezers efiti double door fridge bi any stove ni ade ni nyina microwave bi bia o kettle iron ni nyina ye nkasa ma ye kasa nwa ena minim se bre na tia wie ma me fa ye numbers ni tu wa daroma me mpije me so wo Kumasi a wo numbers a wo be free wo 0244 385128 and 0207 653031 Accra 0244 385136 and 0243 074750 ye Independence Day ninti atete ye ne nyina so bia meji bigana ni bia bedas
yenso yedase enti baby pot ye hia me wo Kennedy Digital Satellite won say wo mo boa ma unemployment eswate enti mo a moje mo hu de say mo wo sika akrom ha mode bom hosafo hene no eye nkotuto bi mamamfo no munya dwumanye na obi asomunyo no obi ani ne lemu na afa nso ekunu no bi wo ho wo mo ehyeso wo fufuo mame no so na fufuo aye ready no machine bi na si ho no konokoto ma ayere na wo nhyeso kra dodo wo satade nso susie ne fin eye ne fin dodo nso a washing machine esi ho na nambwa aha wo yere no nso se na ebe ya abekoso atan waware asem aho ato nti ukunu nto ye akoto na fesi niema no na wo fufuo no fast na tan waware asem nya sa gas ni gu akire ho wo mbeje no o ya wie pachom that's why yo afei na sampofo agye eni abedwafo tenase na omode pesem mu abro na sampofo agye amafe no na menene wasum asem eziemi no pani enim omaye ni kwabra sante pachom achi ni chio bia adwa hema banana ma Kreuzberg Krynest Amsterdam. Good morning mapon.
The dispatch of officials from our missions to various border countries to assist our people when they cross into neighboring countries. Due to the effective collaboration with the Hungarian authorities, the government of Ghana has secured passage through Hungary on a visa-free basis for Ghanaian students who are in possession of Ghanaian passports. We are told the Hungarian government is also providing coordinated assistance to enable our nationals reach airports in Budapest or Debrecen. The government of Ghana is grateful to the Hungarian government. This effective collaboration has also led to the Romanian government according us a warm reception. As is the case in humanitarian exercises, women and children have been given priority. The government of Ghana is equally grateful to the government of Romania for its philanthropic gesture. Indeed, the goodwill displayed by these friendly countries is a testament to the sound bilateral relations that exist between us and also the goodwill that Ghana enjoys among the Committee of Nations. We call on other friendly nations to extend similar assistance to our compatriots. We can confirm that an unknown number of Ghanaian students are reported to have left Ukraine a week or so ago following our Bern mission's advice as the situation was getting dire. Many of them are back here at home in Ghana. So they left early before the situation got very bad.
AJ Minister for Foreign Affairs and Afe Regional Integration, Honorable Shelley Ayoko Boche and Oten Kanenra press briefing on Muyefa Ghana for one more Edinson Seme or Ukraine. Sifuntumu Esamata Trene Kwa Russia for Sai or Moswo na Binomusu Hiamwa MFO free honor Kawana Muntu abine to any Pempenswa could do. Even as we speak, and they expect to say any pabese. June 24 beba be hana be science so evacuation process ni guswa e bia by close of the day na ochina no na e bi nso ediso eba emu nhye ni ade nyina e benya to base bia but before then ne fa na se ema eyimaku a wasi atofo ema anopai ye de badwam dwumadi mpensempensemu ebrem wani wa wani tua se hepa plus mixture opese UCPC tanipa entna ho nyade ansa no apadure kira kwan edura wono mu a eno no ebo wedi ne mabe na afa kutia nyadewa na mo num tososoma otimididie de hepa plus mixture afi wonso a eja open mobile phone tablet laptop open TV open air condition empacho phone ho accessories bia de papa bia fa phone ho de obenya no Franco Trading Enterprise omo eyatufo na omo ton bi so baako ntimo a mo pe bi etu aton phone accessories ni ho keka ho na open Franco TV Franco air condition ne bo ne da form ani da ho na etiaposo besere wa akọ Adabraka Rogisin manhwe ni mo no na say branches across the country wo say uhia Franco Trading Enterprise wono mo niam apane bia ye de bema ho e wo bo a efo kra St Andrews Ultimate Remedial School amafo atro nso hwe ache enso omafo ko manim eja omode ntia unchusu the right choice na the woman say eba remedial classes eba senior high school papa e kire nkoda ma omutwa nso hwe na omoto aso di yi wa brabomu a St Andrews Senior High School in remedial classes ache say asemfo su no ne importamu onkrabata hodo bebre na odi oti St Andrews nka bo pia wo mo se ngomesua pa ene de betete oba no CD capsules CD herbal capsules immune booster we say ne coronavirus ya da so ne nam mframa mu but de wode ne ho bo CD capsules no se de wode ho aba soroboa no kotokro enka soro bibia wote apo ti yare bi twiniti kew na abono atofom na ona okro no na ye wo CD ointment so ho a waposo ne ya obi a wote so ye footballer wo ye dwadini wo ye driver wo transit tisie mu kotodwem ya obi a CD ointment no ebeye ho adwuma na St Andrews Healthcare College etete apomdemu animdifo health assistants nurses ne ho keka ho a eno nso eboa papa sanyimaku adaroma ena no pay yesin kunwa ba bedi enkomo bedwam pensempense musumidi edna na sei ampofo eje memfa na sie nso ema producers wo be Kofi Ampedu na Priscilla Tanechi na Dominic Sieboa wonom na akunchire sem na de ba yentwe homrai ba ya bedwafo na transe yebedi nkomo eti yamo akwa ba biemu ade aba Adom TV so bra society mpensempense mudwumade ne to awo na mewo honorable Daniel ni kwa hite Titus Glover wono ye kanetama East Emrashe Bedwani ne wa aspire oba be national organizer of the NPP ehwe ni Musa Erika J eba be kan ho na fe ye de nkomo no atoto so honorable Titus, good morning.
Me ataje to yo den
Joba
obo modin na boche oye
kakra obende
nagano ega wanya few
this week na ye osu manche ye no.
I think so.
Yeah, okay.
I think so.
Me cross check in na.
I think so.
And this week I think say be next week.
I think so.
Na
and the ending of February.
Yeah. And say you rough February mo me
28.
Yeah, and you are not in a leap year so and
last day.
Also na so what's the first match. And let's say you can Independence Day so. The 64th Independence Day and yasam keto akra. The 65th Friday. Yeah. Na enema mti saying
nyabia daroma enkwani awonde wo ho na anopase na adom ne bidumwa eno ane se wode na se kese beba twede ampon na ya da na se ene ya soro ye keteso enya easy wo free wuka na o famoto we use ne traffic ya bedu ho ide enya easy ba wo ma ho donti e so ba
sure
na ubebua adwuma kesi ya mu yesi
enya tamankwa akwa na mate so ne na mu denden.
Oh yes, ma call a total of 50 constituencies.
Wow.
My Bron East nyina ewie my Savannah 1 Bole Bamboy, my Northern region my 15 out of 18 constituencies, my Northeast 6 constituencies nyina my nyina ewie Upper East my 12 my 13 out of 15 Pusiga any Boku Central and amenye Utiso so my 4 out of 8 anyame adum after polling station elections meeting who the sim but it's going very well.
Minimum from where I sit now maybe say I don't know one try am polling station elections because omo delegates na eba no they say omo him for now meet omo what the probability say they will maintain
constituency executives. There's a likelihood say 60 to 70% will be retained. Of course, there will be 1 or 2 casualties, kakra, because they are the current executives. And the one of few, but me free. But
checks in it say about
60-70% can be retained.
Oh, okay.
And like kakras will count. Say na ukomo na so they appreciate that you are coming to them. Who chema me wini ansa na wa be kajem se bintu abamba ma. What does here? What thing we break the heat. Kona question the cause of. They should go down and see what is there.
Okay, na hu.
Oh, dia me hu ye party adwuma no de akofom. Enwan say, you see my vision and say I'm coming to energize the base of the party. Me a grassroots man.
Yeah.
Me be national organization think here an organization. Debi. Ye be kofom akoye adwuma. Ohun za na identity. Sanity enwan say me ni omo e kasa. Emze na sunsun no kofom kwakra. Ndi ye hi obi a obeka gyanagum. I know beka say party adwuma ndi enwan ye beto ye. Ndi say de dikanfu eye ayo beto aso no. Enu so ye to aso de ye adwuma no. Na de ndi ahonkeka no wo ho. Enwan say pe obi a obeti omase say party adwuma no enye nkran ne ye no. Ye no fom. Ndi Titus Glover de wampanje ni wo ba bia enwan say ebekọ ne yakọboa na adwuma no akwayi na adaje enura mekoboa me nua peni makunta ona bakwesi amakwata ewa wirinare achima wirinare etiwa west
okay
na MPP e wasi yaka ya story ya tinkran ya hu dia e buso mo mo cameras no mo vanko na mo hu adwuma na ya ye wo fiti kwa ayi enyinam junction e de kwa aben ya yi asphalt na godu kwa aben krom be far right e di fa kwanum sa aje asamama any ekurugafense bibi ko eko esako something enemu sa de ko fa jejeti e di ko fa suom e di ko kede e di nemu ampetia pamming arenare e di back up to kwabin. But what strike me most is say me younger erikeje ni tia omusi ye busia hu ne de aye ko achim abomusu ne ko hwe model school na president kukuru di esio is about 80% of the work done. Administration block, classroom block, we video no classroom block library, assembly hall, dormitories for girls and boys, masters bungalow. You see the story. Headmaster knows a headmistress in bungalow and also science labs. Say what? Any yetin can come any young the akoso. Our video I mean point me what I saw, the infrastructure I saw. And I'm so Ghana. Na do ye be papa. Na model school we no. E kaibria na kwa me kuma si Temasco. O si Apam Secondary. O si Winiba. O si Stradro Secondary. On the model schools are the same plan Laboni. We call Laboni Secondary School, Temas Secondary School, Apam, Winiba, Swesco. It is the same uniform. And yes, say I didn't yes no. Yesi ba ko passing pe. Passing pe no ewo very say Yagaba Kubori between Walewale constituency and Yagaba Kubori, but it's part of Walewale constituency. Passing pe ebi wo. Esi ko Kumasi a enu so yesi bi so wo. E de bi so wo bumusu. This is a model school yesi, a modernized institution yesi. I will say look, we are seeing value for money. The idea is can here. What I say? Ye the sick bay so e the account. And this what in cry. And na what ha na wonnim adwuma president Akufo-Addo aban any education ministry ye no a what you make say you hwe ba me am de maniso video no wa me de be kirew na mo abo e ya mo fa mo cameras no emfa kwa bonte na mo hwe and you look at the road network ye dey ko document am kitay Ministry of Roads and Highways list of completed road project 2017 May to 2021 Sendu Wuswa, a total of 4,263.33 kilometers. Sendu Wwa, an interest a frio, kakran, yebeye biama. So I've seen it. I have seen the road network from the whole of the Tiwa West, Ediko, Eko Shiakede, any sum, any education infrastructure, yebi.
All right. Yeah, issues. So, but before then, I have this information, which happens to be a public announcement at a free Ministry of Foreign Affairs and Regional Integration. Or say for immediate release, public announcement. Accra, 26 February. Okay. Data. Yes, I meet we a Tuesday first match. Now, I say in view of the prevailing precarious security situation in Ukraine, which has necessitated the evacuation of Ghanaian nationals, among others, from the country to safety, the Minister of Foreign Affairs and Regional Integration, Honorable Shelley Ayoko-Botre, is cordially inviting all parents, guardians, or relatives of Ghanaian nationals in Ukraine to a meeting, the details of which are as follows. Tuesday, 1st March 2022, Accra International Conference Center happens to be the venue, and time now 10 a.m. Omanfo and Shannon so this year Oba Unua bi a wohwe no bi e Ukraine penifo esinyame admo chena mo behia Accra International Conference Center 10 a.m. nti eno nso eho eno no na eno ne de ehye enkomo no as over 220 Ghanaians have exited Ukraine and are expected in Ghana soon. Foreign Minister Ndra address press no. Our titles the ekoso ewo Ukraine, Russia for dama. Eja esifuntum wo esama tatwene. What you say? Na dia bayi ebi obi te Ghana ha na adweme nso pa afase apra de wada ba bi ade ne won de nkemfa ye ho so efa ye ho pa because per Ministry of Foreign Affairs in some omoka no ye over 1,000 students e wo hono mo ye Ghana this year we be 28 to say ya omo no wo aban scholarship so omo akọ individually and na Ghana this year kasa so wo ho omo ye adwuma ba se o ma bia epre na this year eti nti yenso so share de gu akwam so far arrangement aban aye any situation in Ukraine no mamenye wo initial comment on
Ada Jimmy Dase mame chia we hwefo nyina na me chia me ne akoma your future lawyer Eric
mame Eric ji akwaba Eric na ti say
lawyer be dey
weekend say bibia ko ye dey
oh nyame adom
me so nkofo bibre di birthday weekend dey pa
ene kromo gusu di
ene so bi di on wow
oh yeah me ko bi ayi me no penny eduje tamako yeah 40 years
me friend no na no but so ati until later me who pictures na msa na birthday na no dey
sorry I'm say mu achire mo akomodem na mo di birthday akese
oti di no boy
e come do say lawyer tamaklo edoji tamaklo lawyer say tabia o ye adwuma lawyer dey aban ho aban ni o ye adwuma
uzi akomodem that's all ko we kakra da ejesa you mami America
yeah we say lawyer tamaklo happy
me wish you belated edg afonama you melilo war enya de papa bibi antokwa we bia emma eni nkwala ene bre kane na dia Russia yi die mi de mintiasi o mintiasi akura na woko kan Ukraine innocent nationals sebe omo ekosua de na dachi omda bobo mo bra e da bebo mo man no mo akoka dwe na ade
mitie a Russian president Vladimir Putin na woka say invasion omo ye wo Ukraine no omo target citizens nemum military attachments ni ade no mo.
But in the first place, why should they attack another country?
But oceans so
but the impact, you know.
Omo enante from
what I say, you invade the country. You invade the country, attack the what Bonimena wayo. Bonimena wayo. And the man is say ya Timim Fonebre. Na yebebo abana baso se Ghana for when it can say yemkwala na yemma omuko school Ukraine no omunye arrangement ye be yemu edifrio because all the airwaves have been airspace have been blocked oh
yes
play bien play bien ba ya block be bia na
enya blocking na ya blocking crap and say enye safe because what blocking impo say who dey kwa no be too
last week Eric one of the papers Russian government threatening British Airways say on person who airspace
and they will
say they should not fly in their airspace because immediately they'll gun you down and and the say you were about 1,000 and the chronosu soon in maybe me won bia no kakra obenya no na watwe omo e dey pie say the oba nyoma akope baby a you can cross the nearest border you betumi dey twom dey kakra na announcement that we see no say Ministry of Foreign Affairs efre awufo nyina for a meeting no I'm sure you want to relate yema up to speed their information omo aye efa nkwala yi a omo addition ade we recruit nyan ebeboa say dia eba de sana awufo bia etete because ade tupa ya tutu ni ade wan hwa na akoka wo ba odihye bi and is a ministry no I'm sure omo a ye de omo akọ safety ni nyina no ye omo details bibia na ya show parents and say anamo abane etu ni omo nso omo nsanka won so they are reaching them to make sure say ye be momo abeko safety and I think say no na we say yomo ye and ye bebo omo ba so say
we nim say we as Ghanaians yɛte ha yɛmponya wɔn a wa control no yɛmpa ɛwɔ fie no ya check nsunsuanso a saa deɛ yɛkɔ so yɛde bɛbrɛ
because war na ɛkɔ no it's a war about affecting especially crude supplies any gas supplies Europe bɛbrɛ pa
and na me go through production
I think Russia is the second or third highest producer of crude na we should prices are ɛbɛkɔ soro ɛwɔ world market we should brace ourselves for serious repercussions. So the international community, they must engage Russia to stop what they are doing. The United Nations, when I was on Mutu Anamono, no one catch Putin say.
And I'm also be actual Facebook say we dey nanane ba omianya baby dey asemo ba beshe.
Oh, na say
o man mo aye dey mo dey ba beshe.
Eric Omodia we dey say ba dey say dey so o no mo man.
3 days ago na who say senior man, Abraham senior man. Gabi wa chere da ko.
I dey say dia on the friend
that Facebook say they about Russia and they see the dollar and they can say
and the Eric
aje kum ti ase so sama eh ti wakota na mambo di aje
isu sanse ni de anu ehye pa I was say ye go kutu junior bompa here say a queen there me send the ashes and interest. Russia should understand that reason is how do you attack Ukraine make Nikwata Mentiasia. Obikita Nimai. In the past, they were part of the federation. Not so much to Georgia, nominee Ukraine. Why do you want hold on to that? They are independent state of their own. Pastorudi Pasodi force. Mentiasia. Because you are a superpower and you just want to bully everybody. And the best United Nations one sorry. Na yenen kasa. Na onja de oye
se obetie dia Eric minim wa follow Ukraine and Russia issue kakra me mom de me worry ne ye ti hey ye say ye build Ghana beyond aid ye so still ye nsa hye nkrofo bibre ye num ye dan nkrofo bibre ti asem bi ba se pe na ho kire ba ene na no ada coronavirus ba ye even vaccine ba ye kura na ye wa man bi ho no ye hwe o manim ansa na ye mu bi nti issue say banana ye na sebe impredu asa yensanso ye chi na ho mobo kakra na yasem ya
enokre anope match Adom TV ahefo nyina na mencha His Excellency John Dramani Mahama kaneke ye de ne baby ti Ghana for waye bi pen yenim track record ti ohwa wasetena mu a 2024 na odi akwakoto aba ansa na meka sa asem no ye besre owura na nado danko akufuado ne alaji baumia Ghana for adisuafo na ewo adwaman so esua de no True Scholarship Secretariat na mo disika bi omo so mu di omo sika enko they are struggling
scholarship
yes Scholarship Secretariat sika was here they come
more outside na na
yes.
So ofie no
yeah ko Ukraine tina me ko ho no and you expecting Ghana ni or Ukraine aba na hwe ne se onwane nko hungry meanwhile for some months now the stepping says the mon farmer then or they for can train crack that is the wickedness baby ye dru ne no enti e best share ura kufuado ye nuano mo a Ghana ban e mo Ukraine omo hen I say under Scholarship Secretariat no pay the monies to the secretariat.
Me follow Saturday India.
It is a fact. A known fact.
Text, no. Say last photo for how long?
Oh, for some months, but exact months those kakra. 4 days ago.
About 3 months.
About 3 months. 4 days ago, we share daily graphic. Never daily graphic.
Okay.
What am I say? So Adena.
That's Friday.
That's good. Adena, yeah, ma nipedia bene will be mine so. And about ni say earlier statement free Foreign Affairs Ministry by I read it. They said some countries are affiliated. Those say omunyanam ko ho ne de keka ho. Enti kanokre say woten kran. Aban na hwe school. Aduane e wo sa aban de ma odi onfa ma uni. Sika e wo so de ma to botum onfa ma be 3-4 months. Na de achi ye bumbo bia ba den na obi po de be foot trains or de ko. These are the things that was a next statement ne kasani ne hiu. Nti aban wo se baby wo se omo nko ne be form no. what the trot was you are for Marco. Release the monies. Yes, it can be any deal.
Oh, Baba, me sure say at this crucial moment.
And I'm saying,
OBG train fair, bus fair. Me
sure. Okay, I say, oh, that's now only di.
Aduane asem de o kan me no ya.
Nti yesre Owura Kufuado say under scholarship secretariat. Sika na on fan kon enough. Because now no other call 10 days trip o charter flight 4.9 million Ghana cedis.
So if you guys na one the man.
Eyo mo dispute. What is say can be a more dispute that. No more the correct figure na bada. We know what we are talking about. So pay them. Russia and Ukraine. Ajo bro. Baby Edru ne de anu nrudwem. Nyankopon ne best friend say.
What can say anu
nrudwem na why na ekoka bi? Untimi nka bi. Owura Kufuado won untimi nka bi because even he level kura untimi.
Na so condemn.
We level kura untimi pass. O ko kan Ukraine Putin asem. He level kura untimi pass. The yesre ne say Nyankopon hu omomobo.
Na so nim say ba international politics your president or very astute.
Yeah, obo na ma say. You want the ECOWAS president of Africa, you cool bear for. Or you're the West ECOWAS president, don't go there. You're no because you cry a Timu Hano, Kuku Kwanesi. Into the empire and say, Yankopon, on finding the Benum Putin. Said the Beya, Obenya Akoma Menipa. No, about for me, I like him naturally, me penasem, but I don't support war. Oh, yes. Me leader be a ordene maima at on top. I value you. I cherish you. Leader be oye courageous, me pewasem. And Putin the oye be near Russian first. This war nya ne be kan ba kwasem. Ye nim de nti omoko. The future of Russia no. What am I? For the past 3 days, my follow I've read a lot about. They are generating baby akoni de adru. We medi obi asem. Nipa hwere ne nkwa eya. Ye besre. Ajobreo. Na United Nations was it 4 days ago omo ye meeting na omo ko take decision. Yes, and so omo ye meeting na China for veto. You see a power play and ekoso because am I otua memfa compare ni ipa ye nyina ye pe ye nyepe da o de tweet mo obedi dem
sense ati nyina
ye nyepe e na amana hodo nyina ye nyepe enti Ghana o independence a ntimi nka se okoyi ko na America. What am I saying? Because Russia no obi anim superpowers omo play we ase their part we omo free mo enye now ka say Ghana na ato ahye Burkina so anka UN fo hia no yanka street say ento share so bi. What am I saying? But on my back person no ye ne hwe na omo te o nti the obetine say Biden aba ye ko support omo with the ammunition na we aba I don't know for human resources onko. You see, these are the things that was using lesson as of mine. There was a time, was it 3 years or 4 years ago? Yetiania NDC for started a demonstration say, at the end America for Kwan Ukruma so moment set up military base. Okay.
Yeah.
If you do those things, who create enemies somehow? Countries are on that countries no problems, no. You are inheriting their enemies. Not to issues never. We are aware. Because omunim say Ukraine and Russia there it is Ghana and Cote d'Ivoire your border so poor so come
there be no Ukraine
it is say anye bibi na there be no Ukraine between Judas. Yeah, that is how the man is thinking. Nti amana atwa ne ho ahia Poland Finland ne de keka ho nyina NATO fo ya jehoafa through Americans. Nti Ukraine there wo de no the way and the so e ma o me so ne America for alliance because all yes royal meboa. That is all. We African leaders, you should start learning senses from it.
But say the can say what dream so called as a world peace in this.
Yeti kroma yentimi mo homa. Now can so be bejo man mu so the or any military base na human resource keke no de omoba. Or the akunde nyina bis here. The man Ukraine you can say US any Cuba issue no buy some years ago. As at now US almost some sanctions are and that Cuba for so. What am I saying?
But the okay,
yes. So
but
African leaders.
Me sure so drive it at a justification.
No, I'm not me justify. But me say you insian lesson and you in film. Oh, it's serious because say a sovereign state. Now you're dealing with other countries, we should know how to deal with them. China, nano dream. North Korea, nano dream. What was Bianca? The Omo can say na munyan tokwa no na mpanimfo ne ye conferences akese. Kokwe. They need you. But power. To me, one Omo konde no to me keke. But at the end of the day, a man for ne suffer. And I met TV who I measure. Now she and Quadamienu. You say Omo parents and ya mama cross the border no. And I'm Quadano mum cross here. Intima me back one so across it. And I found Quadano de Omoko. Unim neda.
Omo call him.
Omo Jane Omoko different country. Because that is the issue. And Tokwa Nesi. Obi a wedi 18 years and above be a wo ha ye be ma OCPC tano. Ya ma on cross ye ma otu okokumbi. That is it now. Is that fair? No. And to your best African leaders, mo continue ko as allowances akese na mo je no. You should be thinking of the future of our country. If indeed Ghana beyond Ada, ye here a German so asraf was say ye meji baby those things you should be very careful.
All right.
Don't create enemies for your nation. Because they are quite no. Once Africa into me come, oh, Koka. Germany, Germany, what they make in Germany, who can be in because Russia for more gas. The second largest exporter of crude in Russia. What am I say? In Russia, no, Nipo Monsa Somos near day, a dozen. Until I'm penning for nothing because I buy best we Yankupon who put in, or the uncle for being anything. Because Ocean Kasana, why already say, the basin, the best. We nya Akufo-Addo, Uru Akufo-Addo na mesre Nyankopon because ono kra no ye kwoto aba ye kwoto aba kum nipa etura
yanyi enkra we embrasisi a ye ba behwe have courage to accept divergent views. First deputy speaker the country speaker of parliament so then ekoso Ukraine Russia say me bia na say ho asem to say ye ba sisi. All right, am akwa ba biem ye ni nkomo akasima be dum yenu na ye pejaye mu every jumadi so na honorable titles who as a former member of parliament who call 2 terms now unim said the parliament and MNCT it seems that to say relationship between speaker and the deputies and the majority side no akwa ko bibia ho na emma nyoma was a course for parliament no kra no say no perception outside is a parliament leadership no as a omo entemonyo papa enya de bebo parliament ejumedie minim se de wu hu no
adaje mi da se ye jumai is more of engagement. 8 years I'm a call here no metra appointment committee for 8 years metra committee trade industry and tourism for 8 years. In the 6th parliament, I'm a deputy ranking member for trade industry and tourism. Now, minority leader, Honorable Haruna Idrisu, was the minister for trade. A chain a year, no, na yede Spilgabra, Abaye. And the about power 2017, 2016, 17, I'm a chairman for the Committee of Trade, Industry and Tourism. At the committee level, at the plenary, at conclave, between leadership and speaker is always being of more of accommodation. Kwa be faswa afana nyina no be majuma no akoso. That is what I know. But nan say the abano akoya dibia wan hwa na timemufo no enhweda ene nje parliament djuma ye na se. And I may be wrong.
I say power struggle be a
I may be wrong because of the thin line that one independent difference in a woman. Especially minority for always want to flex. Na yenzu ayo majority who always want to defend. But 2 wrongs does not make right. Bibi eke kakono embo mine. What you say? At every point in time, say speaker niwa na badi chiri for no omo no be chiri. And there are 2 important documents. One is the Constitution, and 2 is our standing orders. Every ruling BOBAB, and you look at these 2 documents, what is pertaining, and some precedents are esia wo de ye mfato na wo de aye ruling na wo de aye wotuma wo ti da reconnaissance na speaker hu ade ne se emere bia onti akonya mu a Joe Wise betram no na opeso bu nenim tia. But I don't think that is the case. Because I remember erogaje de ade ne betuma nim a me hwa ade ne se de tie na me hwa president no me hwa standing orders no na me hwa constitution no then I take a decision on it.
Now you for say speaker no tell take first decision no and consider that.
And it's all behind na the way you interpret it.
So how na say nim tie ya say me okay.
Anything na me no they are lawyers. Sebi. I drink any back for three.
Because maybe honorable you were deputy minister.
Yeah.
Our transport ministry. Na o minister I take a decision. O tu kwan aba. Na tija obeba na waten no first one. No aye din. Okra o tu kwan aba obeba na decision bi na no take ye buy onu nyina wo hobby. Na o take side decision no. One sorry entia. Na what train
some then you are making wrong. The functions of ministers and their deputies are distinct. They are different. Ebria na me ye ejuma and Minister Siama. Minister power ni said to me, say why ye bibi na me go dane no. I don't have the power. The president will sack me that day. Say president who say minister take a decision. Na me am to I don't have that power. So the executive functions are different from that of parliament. Parliament, you know, a very say, our ministry, you first standing orders in Yejuma, you constitution Yejuma. That is different. And it's an example now, mine, Yifrim. But in the chamber,
cannot on the face of it.
Don't use face of it. Let us not just, if it is a Timamufono Moshe, you know, we understand now, you look too simplistic. There is no way.
It's more detailed than.
There is no way a minister will take a decision and his deputy will come over. President will sack you 1 second. Say, oh, we say that here. See. That is different. But in parliament, you know, you the standing orders, you know, and the constitution, any some rulings are and I would be a juana way. Now, me say the word you the kind of ebia na motion ebe move no. If it is very controversial, and God you always let me step it down. Mr. Speaker Mbra, so person any word you juma, then we can go that way. So muma ye hold you on. Now Mr. Speaker Mbra, then we can put in the speaker himself will come. But only a juma say was a trust. Parliamentary business, yeah. He is a lawyer. A seasoned lawyer.
And the speaker is a lawyer.
He is a lawyer.
A seasoned lawyer, of course.
Or the ruling Nasia, or the standing orders Nasia, and a constitution about. And you look at all that. But the Abano, your best speaker Nanka says obey engage the two deputies. Na or you should come be faswa. San Samuel Kokoswinya, Messiano. Because Parliament, a age din, the dinner age, and boying.
This 8th Parliament.
This 8th Parliament, seriously, and boying.
But
I will plead, Safana Faninano. We should see ourselves and look. This is the kind of democracy you see per se. For the first time, maybe see that for 92. Yanya hang Parliament say, but it needs a lot of discussion. It needs a lot of engagement.
Eric, then yeah, so seeming friction here, a war leadership more Parliament, you know, you beat me. Are sorting out.
The issue of Parliament, you know, Nina are there back up. Ubu respect. Ubu nipa asa.
One respecting one.
The issue na yeken a simple word respect. As you cited example, me mama na ohwe office ahwibo na beti ase. And the owo break room ni bonza Western region amebobon on beti ase, but quickly many a smart politician and obogu and okache was at the ministry yes standing orders no constitution but the minister was appointed based on constitutional provision. You go to the office, you work in line with the laws of the country. On say etodana ye man no krenedi. That is all that we need as a nation. Minia ye to abawi ya ye kwakoyi ura baben as a speaker. Circumstances surrounding ye be seen there. ebia kyerɛ sɛ mo ne obuo MPP as a party mo ne obuo ma no. That is the problem now. In the history of our country, baby a yɛhyɛ mmara me yɛde to aba no. Yɛto ho mu aba yi pani no. Ye nyamra hye bedwani of ballot paper. So real. So okoye ne den yenim. And that's how now they have the guts, they defend. At the end of the day, this 8th parliament tension na akoso nyina no. Say oye pani na ohun kwan ya wose one nipa din kita ho a. All these challenges emma. Honorable Titus.
The framing Titus Glover.
Yes, Titus. One day me can say me tre wasempa. Me say ahokye na yakomu wo Ghana ne no. The way you speak and share bufu. But some of your communicators me mo bidin. Uni obi tena say the way be see akasa hanta ni dwe kra no. E ma obufu keke. But nipa ho kire na ye de kasa ede e ne kasa nipa. The esi wo mrahye bedwe fe nya say ye nyina do ye de. But mun show leadership. Ora Chairman Sambozu, former Lawrence Ade. No, so was assistant. No, your friend Lawrence Ade.
Because I can use
Lawrence. Obi nim Lawrence no. Che yesrew. One leadership na mo majority side enough of the ahantan no eye. Afenyo Markins, Jenny ahantan no sondodo. Consider the interest of Ghanaians. Hwe asem ya owura speaker o kan nani. He deserves to say so. One, we take an earlier decision on the budget, the content, okay, say, you know. O two, kwan so okwa supiti aboba na wasesa no. E ma ne be kasai, wanye hwe. Second, another motion aba. Mu nyina wako conclave akodwendwen ho ne de mo be, oba na wo de discretion ahe de wo ye. Wasen akote wo ne na etoso mienu e wo chamber. Na wo wa ba abonten, wo so ba ya, wo say then
have the courage
to accept divergent views. In what capacity? No one and my clear distinction of the speaker and any deputies. No, he drew about what you were telling Ghanaians say you have the power to vote. Speaker, no, the speaker of the and you are more powerful than the speaker. Now, Ure Kufuado, or sorry, torn or qui. Uncle Bakumrani is about me, Alaji, why reshuffle Nipa Bear 20 or Nabam, Nkobe Philisen. We should show respect. Na Monam, as of so. No muna mura mahama so ena yenye consensus ye mu ani mu man no na mo asofo no nti de ekoso parliament a obuo ni hono mu opinion leaders in the country na mo sorry a NDC for ya opposition ye na mo ba ya na so say ye mu ama man ntumpo ye na ye ministers. All right, know where to channel your grievances.
Eric Eje one was here Honorable Titus Glover. Bidi Edna na say ample for you. A friend say
your communicator back on a special aid Barbara, Deputy General Secretary, the Lali Sawopo, and then birthday. Happy birthday. Me and Barbara Consufide.
Have you about 7 years?